Hello dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep guys. In this session guys, we will be conducting the complete gate mock test. The complete means exactly 65 questions. Okay, 30 questions of 1 marks as it is in gate paper, 35 questions of 2 marks, total 65 questions, total 100 marks, and the questions will be of technical plus maths plus aptitude. The questions will be MCQ, MSQ and NAT. So guys, to take the maximum advantage of this session guys, 65 questions that me, Richa ma'am and Dheeraj sir will be going to take. It should be like you should be having the copy, pen and calculator with you so that you can take the real advantage and the exam handling pressure as well. Now, before I go forward guys, let me tell you the distribution of this. Okay, let me tell you the distribution of this guys. Come on. Oh, smartboard is looking a little bit tilted. Nah, it's okay. It's okay guys. Let me tell you the distribution of this. So I will be taking these subjects. Okay, soil, transportation, soil and structure, survey and RCC. Then Richa ma'am will be taking aptitude, environment, OCF, hydrology and irrigation. Then Dheeraj sir will be taking mathematics, FM, PERT CPM and engineering mechanics. Now you add these will be total 65 questions. If you add these, this will be total 30 questions. You add this will be total 35 questions and this will be total 100 marks. Okay, so all aptitude, mathematics, technical, everything will be done. So I will be taking 14 plus 8, that is 22 and 9, 31 and 6, 37 and 5, 42. So 42 marks I will be covering here guys. Okay, so this is the pattern. Then just in the same link guys, Richa ma'am will be coming after me, and then in the same link Dheeraj sir will be coming. So total 65 questions will be done guys. Total 65 questions will be done. Those who are new in this channel, let me introduce myself guys. My name is Abhinav Negi, having 12 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, and these are all details, not to waste time here. Now guys, the complete exam analysis of civil of forenoon and afternoon both will be in this channel. Civil afternoon analysis, civil forenoon analysis will be in this channel just after the exam. And guys, today, that is 31st of January, on app I'll be taking a special session on app today at 7:30 p.m. where what is a journey from February to January 2025 for the students who are giving the gate examination next year. This is the free mega mock challenge in the app. You can give this test from 27 Jan to 2nd February anytime. This will be again exactly as gate pattern. Now guys, the 25 and 26 syllabus are available. Courses are available, and for those courses, if you want to inquire anything regarding fees, regarding course structure, regarding duration, regarding the time of class, then guys, there is a free one-to-one counseling you can have. Okay, the link you can call here or the link is in the description box. Okay guys, for one-to-one counseling regarding these courses. This is my Telegram group. Later on I'll also again give my Telegram link. Okay, so ready guys, everyone? Please give me yes or no in the comment section. It will be live, yeah. Paper analysis will be live. Guys, where we'll be telling you the cutoff, safe score, everything. This will be live. Okay, just on the exam day only guys. Just let me know guys, are you ready everyone? Hi Nitin, how are you? Virendra, Nitin, I replied your mail as well. Just put a heart sign on the comment box guys. Then I am coming with. Okay, so first I will be taking strength of material and structure. First subject I will be taking my favorite, strength of materials and structure. Total 1 mark question will be 3, 2 mark question will be 3. So 3 plus 6, total 9 marks we are covering. And if you want to analyze yourself guys, it's better to take copy, pen and calculator with you. Okay, everyone guys, come on. And please guys, once like the session, mark your attendance by putting the like. Everyone, mark your attendance by putting your like guys. So ready guys? for question number 1. Okay, and guys, please don't put, whenever you are calculating your 100 marks na, for MSQ and NET there is no negative marking. For MCQ there is negative marking of -1/3 for 1 mark question, -2/3 for 2 mark question, but for MSQ and NET there is no negative marking. And also guys, one very important thing, what is the cutoff of this session? What is the cutoff of this session, guys? Okay, so we have made this paper almost as the difficulty level of GATE of last 2 or 3 years. What is the average difficulty? We have taken that only. So guys, cutoff for general category for this paper is 29 marks. For OBC and EWS it is 24 marks. For SC ST it is 18 marks for this paper. Okay, this is the cutoff, but from cutoff you will not be getting IIT MTech or PSU. For IIT MTech guys, from this level, the paper, this level, for IIT, these should be getting more than 60 marks, more than 55 marks, and they should be getting more than 38 marks. Okay, for IIT, for this difficulty level I am talking of. Okay, so let's go. Now you are thinking what rubbish questions sir has taken. The radius of Mohr circle is equal to the maximum shear stress. The radius of Mohr circle is equal to maximum shear stress. You want to say this, but there is no option that. I have to state that. You want to say that radius is maximum shear stress. No, it's okay. It's okay. This is correct. But no option is maximum shear stress. No option is maximum shear stress, guys. Now do the question. Halke mein mat lena bhaiya. No, the radius of Mohr circle is maximum shear stress, but there is no option of maximum shear stress. Minimum normal stress, plane of zero stress, maximum normal strain, half of the maximum shear strain. Okay, so that is correct, but option is not there. Option is not there, guys. Come on. Question number 1, guys. Everyone. Chalo. Photo bhai. Come on, my champions. Come on, my commanders. Everyone, hit the question hard. Hit the question hard, guys. Come on. Chalo. What is the option, guys? Yes, guys, here it is not shear stress, but if you see in the shear strain principle, good guys. Shear strain, Mohr circle for shear strain. Mohr circle is not written for stress, na. Mohr circle is for strain also. So Mohr circle of a strain is like this, and this is the radius. This is the radius, and this is maximum y-axis. Sorry, y-axis here is gamma by 2. So this is gamma by 2 max. Okay, so radius in Mohr circle is gamma by 2 max. That is half of the maximum shear strain. Gamma max by 2. That is D option. Got it? Yes, Gaurav. Mayank, how are you? Kaisi ho Open Gypsy? Swagata Gangli, how are you? Bonu, Lazmax, Dibyujit, Reni, Sravan, Mayank, Gaurav, Vipin, Sahun. Okay, B will not be there, guys. Plane of zero shears. No, this is the answer. Have you understood the twist, guys? Have you understood the twist, guys? Give me yes or no. Good morning, Ambrish. Kaise hain? Now, guys, I am again saying first we are doing 6. Exactly this will be as gate pattern. This complete gate mock test will be exactly as per gate pattern, guys. This is question number 1. Now question number 2. MSQ. Oh my god. Oh my god. MSQ. MSQ. That means this is of 2 marks, guys. Okay, I am writing the marks also. This was 1 marks. Okay. The question number 2 is of 2 marks, guys. And MSQ, therefore no negative marking. No negative marking, guys. If you are evaluating yourself, then you need not to put any mark. Come on. Come on, chaps. Everyone. Okay. So, guys, what is the resilience? Resilience is the area under the up to the area under stress strain curve up to the elastic limit. Resilience is area under up to the elastic limit, this area. More is the material resilient. More it is good for the springing action. More it is good for the shockers of bikes and car. Okay, resilient material is good for springing action like shockers of bike and car. So more area means more resilience. So now what you do mistake here na, resilience is equal to area, so half into base is 0.15 into height is 120. This is the mistake guys. This x-axis in percentage, this is not strain, this is in percentage. So 0.15 by 100 you have to do, 0.15 by 100 you have to do. Have you understood? Okay, have you understood guys? Similarly, what is the toughness? Toughness is the complete area. Toughness is the complete area under the curve. The toughness is the complete area under the curve. More is the toughness, then that material we require more mechanical energy to break it. Suppose this smartboard has more toughness. This smartboard has more toughness. That means more energy is required for fracturing it. Okay, it is a fracture, related to fracture, therefore we are going up to the last point. Now you calculate this yellow area and green area. What answer you are getting guys? Come on. Someone is Abhinav in the comment also. Have you understood guys? Have you understood the meaning of resilience, the physical meaning of resilience? More is the resilience, more it is good for the springing action. More is this yellow area to the elastic limit. That material is good for making the shockers of bikes and cars guys. Toughness means more mechanical energy it can absorb before fracture. When you calculate this area guys, you will be getting A and C correct. Okay, it's all about calculation after that. This was question number 2. It was of 2 marks. It was question number 2 of 2 marks guys. Question number 3. Yes, again a new question guys. Okay, a hollow circular beam of external diameter 250 okay, this is like this. Now external diameter is 250 and thickness is 20. So thickness is 20, that means this is 210, 20 here, 20 here, and this is 250. $210 and 250, correct? 210 and 250. Okay. If the maximum permissible stress of the beam is 150 megapascal, okay, if the maximum permissible stress on the beam, it is guys normal stress. Guys, see this 2 mark question guys. Okay, this is sigma max 150. Determine the maximum bending moment that can be resisted. Determine the maximum bending moment that can be resisted guys. Everyone hit it. Hit it guys. Come on. Can you calculate me the value of I? I is pi by 64 d outer ki power 4 minus d inner ki power 4. Okay. Please guys bring your calculator if you want to see the real effectiveness of this. So this is 0.9628 into 10 ki power 8. 0.9628 guys. All these calculations I have done yesterday night. I was waking up to 2 a.m. to make this paper. Otherwise if I do calculation here, it will be little bit time waste. It will be little bit time waste guys. Come on everyone. Come on everyone guys. Come on, come on. Chalo. चलो 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 कितना आया? अच्छा बताना क्या मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग मोमेंट. सो मैक्सिमम बेंडिंग मोमेंट व्हेन द स्ट्रेस विल बी मैक्सिमम इज इक्वल टू m by I into y. So m is equal to sigma max into I, and sigma max will be when y max. Sigma max will be when y max. Okay, so what is y max here? What is y max here guys? Y max is the maximum distance from neutral axis. This is y max, and y max is 125. Y max is 125. I we have calculated. Sigma max is 150. From here guys, what option you are getting? 105.53. C option. C option, guys. Everyone, please. Everyone, please, guys. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Correct. Now question number 4, again of 2 mark question, guys. Again of 2 mark question, guys. Everyone. Now, the figure below shows the structure of fleece beam. Fleece beam means a combination. Fleece beam is a composite beam. Composite beam means stress strain will not be different. For the whole structure, there will be single stress diagram, single strain diagram. Okay. And it is timber and steel. Fleece beam, guys, whenever there is a word is fleeching, so 2 things are sure. One is composite, means it will be having a single stress and single strain diagram for the whole structure. Plus it is metal plus wood, or metal wood means timber. Usually that metal is steel. Now guys, this wood I am representing with yellow, with white color, and steel I am representing with blue color. Okay. Now guys, this is steel. Okay. Now guys, what is second moment of area? Second moment of area is nothing but moment of inertia. Okay, I is, guys, basic formula of I moment of inertia is r square into dA. R square is the distance from the axis. R is the distance from the axis where we are finding the moment of inertia. Okay, this is second. R square is the second moment of inertia. This is also called BDQ by 12, pi d4 by 64. All are calculated from this formula. This is the basic. Now guys, whenever I am calculating the moment of inertia, first I have to make everything into either wood or either steel. So let me make everything into wood. So wood to wood will be same. If I am changing wood to wood, so it will be same. B, this is 3D by 8, this is 3D by 8. Changing wood to wood will be same. Now steel to wood will be m times more. Wood will be m times more. So what will be this? And this is B, so it will be MB. Now this all is wood. All is white color, all is wood. Correct? Now moment of inertia about the x-axis. This is the x-axis axis. Okay, I about the x-axis axis. So I about x-axis axis here is this x-axis axis. So guys, I am doing it in 2 ways. First I am taking this as complete wood, this one. First I am taking this part. So this will be BDQ by 12. This is BDQ by 12. Now what is remaining? Remaining is this part and this part. So again it is, guys, this BDQ 12 is about this axis only, so no need to transfer, no need to apply parallel axis theorem. Again this blue I will be adding BDQ by 12, that will be also about this axis only. So what is width now? MB minus B. MB minus B is already taken here. This is the width into D. Here this total is D, but this is how much? 3D by 8, 2D by 8, 5D by 8. This is 3D by 8. Okay, so this will be how much? This will be how much? D by 4 and D by 4. 5, 7. No. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 2D by 8. What is that length here? B, the total is D. What is that? Please confirm me. What is that depth? Let me check the question, guys. D by 4 and D by 4 they are saying, na? So 2D, 4D, 5. This should be 2D, yaar. Okay, 2, 4. Now it's fine. That is 2D by 8. Okay, that is 2D by 8. So this 2D and this is also 2D. So this width into D. D is D by 4 and D by 4. So D by 4 and D by 4 is how much? D by 2D, 4D. D by 4 plus D by 4 is 2D4 D by 2 na? D by 2, it is B D cube by 12. Now simplify this, what answer you are getting? Please tell me. Simplify this, what answer you are getting? Please tell me. One is BD cube by 12 plus this into B into D cube by 12. What answer you are getting? D by 2. What D by 2? जल्दी से बता दो guys, come on, calculate and let me know the answer. B D cube by 12. This is 3D. Wait. Your total length is D na. So 2D by 8 and 2D by 8 is 4D by 8. Correct? 2D by 8, 6D. They are saying it is 3D by 4, 3D by 4. 3 and 3. Okay. 3D by 8 and that is also 3D by 8. Okay. Then 6D by 8. Then it is 6D by 8 and they are saying this is D by 4. Okay. Wait. This is 3D by 8. Okay, now it is 6D by 8. It is 6D by 8. Total length is DR. 3D and 3D is 6D by 8. And this total is D by 4. This total is D by 4. Total from here to here. This total is D by 4. Okay, so total length is D. Now it's fine. 3D by 8, 3D by 8, 6D by 8. And this is D by 4. So 6D by 8 plus D by 4 is this. Okay. So this will be D by 4. Okay, and from solving this, guys, you will be getting how much? Tell me. Solving this, you will be getting D option. Okay. Have you understood the concept? Have you understood the concept, guys? Yes, Shravan, now you got it, na? Shravan, you asked me that, na? Shravan, you asked me that environment PDF. I shared in Civil Champions Telegram group. But you have not replied, I guess. Shravan, you have asked me. Have you got it there? Shravan, you asked me, na? If that was some different run. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, guys. Now this is from structure. Hit this question hard, guys. Come on. Come on. What answer you are getting? A, B, C, D. This is 1 mark question from structure. This is 1 mark question from structure. Chalo. What is the indeterminacy? 6. Everyone is getting 6. 6. It is kinematic indeterminacy, yaar. 5. Everyone is having different answer. 5, 7. Come on, yaar. What is the formula? 3J. I'm not a teacher of structure, na. M minus R. Correct? 3J M minus R. Correct, na? What is joints? 3 into 6 minus members 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And R, what will be the R? जल्दी से बता दो. 2J minus R. 2J minus R. What is the formula? 7, 7, 7. Number of reactions will be 5. So this will be 7. Have you understood, everyone? Have you understood, everyone? Give me yes or no. जल्दी से बताओ. Have you understood? Okay. Now this one, please. Three on the fixed side and 2 on the other side. Do this answer, guys. Do this. Now MSQ, guys, so no need to provide any negative marking here to yourself. Fixed end is to free, correct. Hinge end is roller support, correct. Internal hinge is not internal hinge. Internal hinge is changes to internal roller. Internal roller to internal hinge. So answer will be AB de Villiers. Answer will be AB de Villiers. Okay. Answer will be AB de Villiers. Now guys, one more thing here. Why it is fixed is changed to free? Have you ever thought why the internal hinge is changing to internal roller, or internal roller is changing to internal hinge? Have you ever thought? Let me tell you. Let me tell you, guys. This is the real beam. Now at A, what is the slope? 0. At A, what is the deflection? 0. So in the conjugate beam, shear force at that point should be 0, because shear force is equal to slope. Bending moment has to be 0, because bending moment is equal to deflection. So where the shear force is 0, where the bending moment is 0? At the free end. That is why fixed is changed to free. Here the slope at A is 0 na, so their shear force at A has to be 0. Here the deflection at A has to be 0 na, so here bending moment at A has to be 0. So that is why it has to be fixed. Have you understood the concept? Now here B point, its slope is not 0. B point, the deflection is not equal to 0. Not the slope, not the deflection. So it is free changed to fixed, because fixed shear force will not be 0. So slope is not 0. Bending moment is also not 0. So that is why it is changed. It is changed like this. Similarly, internal hinge to internal roller in the same concept. Have you got it? Have you got the concept, everyone? Yes or no? Not AB, yaar. A internal roller is changed to internal hinge, yaar. ABD will be the answer. स्ट्रक्चर है ना यार मैंगो, फिर भी मैं बताता हूं आपको. इस पे मैं अभी वापस आ रहा हूं. दिस इज नॉट माई एरिया, सो आई एम कमिंग इट अगेन बैक. ओके, structure is not my, I have never taught structure na, but for making this complete mock test I have taken that question. I am coming on that. Okay, so till guys now SOM and structure is done. We have done total 9 marks here. How much you got? Please everyone write down genuinely, so that other students can relate their self. Everyone please. Okay, 8 marks. Tell me marks, not answer. 8. Supreme Patel got 8. 4 Sandeep. Anwar 3. Okay guys, I'm again saying, let me tell you the cutoff. let me tell you the cutoff. The cutoff for just qualifying the gate exam is for this kind of paper, these 65 questions, 29 for general, 24 for OBC EWS, SC ST 18. For this paper what we are taking 65 questions, me, Richa ma'am and Dheeraj sir. And for IIT 60 marks for general, 55 marks for OBC EWS and 38 marks for SC ST. Okay. Now let us go to surveying. Surveying will be doing 4 questions, 2 questions of 1 marks, 2 questions of 2 marks, and I guess everybody can do this. Okay, so guys, for that answer is 7. Okay, answer is 7. Confirmed. This is confirmed. Okay. 3J minus M minus R. Okay. Now do this. Kinetic intimacy you have to do like that. Chalo. A line AB has the magnetic bearing of 44 degree 30 minute in 1910. So magnetic meridian in 1910 was somewhere here, and this is AB and this is 44 degree 30 minutes. Okay, when the declination was 4 degree 30 minute west. In annual changes 6 minute east. Okay, annual changes 6 minute east. So 1910 to 1990, how many years? 80 years. Every year it is changing 6 minute. So in 80 years it is changing 80 into 6 minute. That is 480 minutes. 480 minutes is equal to, divide by 60, is equal to 8 degree and towards east. So in 1990, every year it is going 6 minute east. Every year it is going 6 minute east. So in 1990 it has gone 8 degree east. It has gone 8 degree east. So now what they are asked, the magnetic bearing in same line in 1990, magnetic bearing of same line, it is 44 minus 8, that is 36 degree 30 minute. True bearing you can calculate it on. True bearing will be 40 degree. From this declination you can calculate it, and true bearing will be same in 1910 and 1990. Okay. Okay guys, any doubt here? Okay, 2 mark question guys, come on, hit it. Now see the question. Local attraction of A is 35 minute west and the magnetic bearing of AB and AC are N62 degree 45 minute east. Let me first of all convert this into whole circle bearing. N62 degree 45 minute east means 62 degree 45 minutes. Okay, and S 42 degree 45 minutes. S 42 degree 45 minute east, this will be how much? N E S W. S 42 degree 45 minutes. So from here whole circle bearing will be how much? 180 minus 40. 180 minus 40 is 140. So 140 minus 2 degree 45 minutes. It is equal to 137 degree 15 minutes. 137 degree 15 minutes. Any doubt? Any doubt? है नेहा MCQ में है. कैसे गेट होगा अभी तक तुम्हें यही नहीं पता. MSQ NET में नहीं है. Okay, so now guys, the local attraction is 35 minute west. So that means when local attraction is west na, so this is the correct magnetic meridian. This is the correct magnetic meridian. Okay, and local attraction is west, so the needle is deflected towards west. Wrong magnetic meridian. Now if you are measuring from wrong, now you are measuring more. Actual value is less. Actual value is less. Actual value is from blue one. Actual value is from blue one, that is less. Okay, so all these readings you have measured is more. How much more? 35 minute. So this will be 62 degree minus 35 from there. Okay, this is 62 degree, 61 degree and 10. 61 degree, 62 degree 45 minute is more because you have taken from west. 35 minute will be less. So it will be 62 degree 10 minute. So A1 is correct. Now this is again 35 minute more. Okay, so correct value will be 137 degree 15 minute minus 35 minute. 137 degree 15 minute minus 35 minute. So this will be how much? 136 degree 40 minutes. Okay, if you subtract 35 minutes from here, why subtract? Because the correct value will be lesser. So it is 136 degree 43 minutes. So what is the quadrantal bearing of 136 degree 40 minutes? This is N, this is E, this is W, this is this. So if this is 136 degree 40 minutes, so what angle is this? What angle is this? 180 minus this, it will be how much? 180 minus 30 will be 180 minus 130 will be 50. 50 minus this. So it is 43 degree 40 minutes. 43 degree for 20 minutes, correct? 43 degree 20 minutes, yes or no? Okay, so this should be 43:20, not 42:20. So this is wrong. Yes or no, guys? Everyone guys. Okay, now include angle between AB and AC. So what is the formula of include angle? Forebearing of next line minus back bearing of preceding line. If answer comes in negative, add 360. If answer comes more than 360, subtract 360. All that logic I have told you. So forebearing of next line. So AB and AC. Okay. If the local attraction of A is determined this and the magnitude of AB and AC is this, which of the following in the include angle between AB and AC? Let me make it from figure. It will be better to make it from figure. This is magnetic meridian. For AB, what is 62 degree 45 minutes. Okay, and for AC, although we can apply that formula also, it is how much? AC is how 136 degree 40 minutes. And guys, no need to 136 degree 62 degree 45, 136 degree 40. Even we can take the correct values also, 62 10 and 136 40, then also answer will be same. Then also if we take incorrect values, but or both incorrect we should take, na? Both incorrect. Both, I am telling the logic. Incorrect values also we get the correct answer. 62 degree 45 is incorrect. Okay. And 137 degree 15 minutes is also incorrect. Either take both incorrect, both correct, answer will be same. Why? I'll tell you. Now this angle is asked. So subtract 137 15 minus 62. How much it is coming? Subtract this from this. How much it is coming? Tell me please, fast. Subtract the angle. How much you are getting? How much you are getting, guys? Come on. How much you are getting by subtracting the answers? 7430. So this is 7430. Now guys, if you take bigger values also, na, sorry, if you take these values also, na, 6210 and 13640, then also so by subtracting the answer will be same, because then this value will be reduced by 35 minutes and this value will be reduced by 35 minutes. So alpha minus beta or alpha minus 35 minutes minus beta minus 35 minutes, answer will be same. I hope you got it. Either subtract the incorrect values or make it correct by subtracting 35 minutes, then also the answer will be same. Okay, so 1 and 3 will be the correct answer. Have you got it, guys? Everybody on the comment section, give me yes or no. Everybody on the comment section, give me yes or no. And guys, again, those who are asking the doubts, I have asked someone. Okay, because this is 3J minus M minus R, J is 6, M is 6, R is 5, as I told you guys. Okay. Okay, excellent question, guys. Now do this. Okay, this is green mark, but okay, do. We are here. Come on, excellent question, guys. This one. A line AB stretches between two known points A and B to establish a point E. So E is on AB line. Two known stations C and D are taken such that CDE on the same line. The coordinates of ABCD is given. Find the coordinates of E. Excellent question, guys. Excellent question. Now let it be east, let it be south, let it be west, let it be north. Now what is the coordinate of A and B? A is actually this point. A is actually this point. Now what is the coordinate of B? 400 is north and 800 is east. This is B. In survey we write the north coordinate first, 400 north and 800 east. So okay, E point is somewhere in AB line. In AB line somewhere it is E point also. Now C and D. C and D. C is 100 north and 100 east. 100 north and 100 east. So C point is somewhere here. Okay, 100 north and 100 east. Okay, and D point is 300 north and 700 east. This is D point. 300 north and 700 east. Now guys, E line, if you join CD line, then also E is coming. Then also E is coming. Little bit I have to make more clearer. Okay, now you understood. Guys. A is this point 0 0 and B is somewhere here. Okay, 400 is north and 800 is east. So this is AB. Okay, now C is 100 north and 100 east. This is C point. 100 north and 100 east. And D point is 300 north and 700 east. D point is 300 north and 700 east. Okay, this is the D point. This is the D point. This is the D point. 300 north and 700 east. Now in the CD line also E is coming. Okay, so CD line is also E is coming. Something wrong we are doing kya? Please check, please everyone, guys, come on. Something wrong are we doing? Concept wise I guess we are not doing any wrong. Let me check the values. D is B का north कितना है? 400 and east is 800 and D north is 3. So B has the highest north na yaar. B has the highest north. Okay. So D will be, if you see scale wise, okay, D will be somewhere here. Okay, D will be somewhere here. Otherwise guys, if you don't do this, then also answer will be same, correct here. D is this, north is less than that, okay, and 700 east. Now join CD. So E point is in the both. E point is in AB line also, okay, and CD line also. This is E. Now you know 2 points and 2 equations. So what is the equation of line? Y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now you need know the two coordinates. The coordinates of A is known, coordinates of B is known. Find the equation of AB, find the equation of CD, solve them, you will get the equation of E. Have you got it? Yes, that is what Soumik, same thing I have told. Same thing I have told. Have you understood? Even we don't do this graph na. Just from these points we write down the equation of line. We'll get it. We'll get it, guys. Okay. Now do question number 10. A point. This is east. This is north. This is west. This is south. A has a coordinate of 500 north and 600 east. This is the coordinate of A. 500 is north and 600 is east. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. If the bearing of AB, is given as 36 degree 20 minutes, okay, that means from here this angle is 36 degree 20 minutes and the length of line AB is 483.25 meter. Then what is the independent coordinate of B? Very easy, guys. There is no need of survey in this. Just the 11th class coordinate geometry we have to apply. What is the north coordinate of B? B north coordinate. So what is the north coordinate of A? 500. So from 500 we have to go this much upward. What is this much of 11th class coordinate geometry? 483.25 cos 36 degree 20 minutes. Now they call this as longitude now. Oh, sorry, latitude now. Okay. Similarly, the east coordinate. East coordinate of A is 600. From 600 we have to add this much. So that is 483.25 into sine 36 degree 20 minutes. Okay, that will be the east coordinate. That will be the east coordinate, and solving this you will be getting the B option. Solving this you will be getting the B option. Have you got it? Everybody, Abhinav, one word. Okay. So this is the 10th. Now guys, SOM and structure is done. Survey is done. Okay. SOM and this is done. 9 plus 15. Out of 15 marks, how much you are getting? Please tell me. Please tell me, guys. Out of 15 marks we have covered till now, how much you are getting? Come on, come on. 11 out of 15. Soumik good. Amrish 10.67. 12. ओके सब होगा भाई पृथ्वी, कहीं भाग थोड़ी नहीं रहा हूं. ओके, complete gate paper will be done. Now guys, we are going to transport 5 questions, 2 questions of 1 marks, 3 questions of 2 marks, total 8 marks. Do this guys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on guys, everyone. Analysis of complete civil paper, guys. Analysis of complete civil paper will be in this channel only. Okay, forenoon session, afternoon session, expected cutoff and all. Do this. Do this. Which of the following statements are correct? Traffic capacity represents the maximum flow. This is a 1 mark question, guys. Traffic capacity represents the maximum flow rate on a roadway. Yes, capacity is the maximum volume, na? Okay. Traffic volume indicates the actual. Traffic volume is the actual volume. Okay. Volume is vehicles per hour. Vehicles per hour, or it can be per lane also. And the maximum value of the volume is capacity. Guys, in case of a curfew, might be the volume is 0. Might be the volume is 0. Capacity is the maximum volume, guys. Okay. So 1 is correct. Traffic capacity and traffic volume have different units. No, both are same thing. Maximum volume is capacity. Traffic volume tends to be maximum when traffic density is maximum. Traffic density is maximum. It is jam, na? So in that case, number of vehicles are so much. Number of vehicles are so much in the road. Yes, it is maximum density. Maximum vehicles per kilometer. but volume is the number of vehicles passing from this section. So at the dense jam condition, maximum number of vehicles, but volume will be zero, na? Volume will be zero because they are not passing. Theoretically, they are not passing. Okay, volume is the number of vehicles passing across section. So theoretically at jam we assume the density is zero. Okay, so only one is correct. Only one is correct. Okay, now this one please. This one please. Hit this question. This is green shield model. Why it is green shield model? Because it is linear relationship. It is a linear relationship. So what is the free flow speed? Vf. So Vf is when density is zero. The relation between V and K, is like this. When jam, there is no vehicle in the road, so it goes from a free speed. When there is no vehicle, it goes from a free speed. And when the maximum density Kj, that time velocity is zero. At the jam, velocity is zero. So Vf is when K is zero. So 65.45. Okay. Now jam density is when velocity is zero. So what is the value of Kj from here? What is the value of Kj from here? What is the value of Kj from here, guys? Come on, everybody. What is the value of Kj? 26.71. Okay. What is the maximum flow? Qmax. Guys, Qmax you applied Vf into Kj by 4. It is not applicable always. It is only applicable for a green shield model where velocity and density has a linear relationship. When the velocity and density has a linear relationship, then only we can write this. Otherwise, for Greenberg-Berg's model where the velocity and density has logarithmic variation, this cannot be applied. Here it is a linear relationship that can be applied, and from Vf into Kj by 4 you are getting this. Okay, so A, B, C, MSQ, guys. If you have not done it correct, then 0. No negative marking. No negative marking, guys, in the questions. Okay, guys. You can join my Telegram group as well. Civil by Abhinav sir. Civil by Abhinav sir. Okay. Okay, guys. D, the velocity, the velocity of flow when the density is 1/4 of the jam density is 109.27. Okay. The velocity when density is this. The velocity of flow when the density is 1/4 of jam density. So this is the relationship. Now velocity is asked when density is 1/4 of jam density, 26.71 by 4. Tell me the value of velocity from here. It will not be coming 109.27. And why I know? Because this is the maximum value, na? This is the maximum value, na? How it can be more than this? So without even solving, we know. Otherwise, you can solve from here as well. Got it, Anwar? Hyderabad ana to biryani khana, Mia 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 bhai, Mia 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 bhai, Mia 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 bhai. Come on. Got it? Okay. Okay, now do this question, guys. The ratio of space mean speed to the time mean speed. This is Vs. This is Vt, guys. Hit the question hard. Hit the question hard, guys. Oblivion. Hit it. What is Vt? What is Vs? Time mean speed is the arithmetic mean, guys. Time mean speed is the arithmetic mean. Space mean speed is the harmonic mean, guys. Now if I calculate the time mean speed is the mean of all. So this 2 to 5 is how much? We can take 3.5. 6 to 9 we can take 15 by 2. 7.5. This we can take 11.5, and this we take 15.5. So 3.5 into 10 vehicles, 7.5 into 14 vehicles, 11.50 vehicles and 15.59 vehicles. This is the average speed, and total number of vehicles are 24 and 9. It is 33. So VT value is how much? Is it coming 8.47? Is it coming 8.47? Please check. Now space mean speed is total distance by time. So time whose speed is 3.5. So time will be 1.35. Distance of 1 kilometer by speed. This is the time, but there are 10 such vehicles. There are 10 such vehicles, and every vehicle is, we are calculating time for 1 kilometer. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, so there will be 10. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. Okay. Now every vehicle is traveling 1 kilometer. So 14 vehicles will be 14 kilometer. Time is 1 by 7.5. Distance by speed. So 14 will be like this. Then after that 0. Then after that every vehicle is 1 kilometer. So 9 vehicles 9 kilometer. One vehicle time is 1 distance by this. Okay, so it to 9. 1 kilometer, if you take 1000 meters and here also multiply with 1000, answer will be same. What value you are getting from here? Is it, what value of space mean speed you are getting from here, guys? Are you getting 6.22? Okay, and ratio of 8.47 by 6, ratio of 6.22 by 8.47. 6.22 by 8.47. So from here you are getting 0.734. 0.73 you can write. 0.734 or 0.73. Are you getting the same space mean speed? Xavier, आप कुछ मत करो, आप मीम बनाओ. Give me yes or no. Are you getting the same value? Tell me please. Okay. PCU. What is PCU? It is the capacity of a road when passenger car is moving alone on the road, upon capacity of a road when vehicle is moving on the road, whose PCU is to be determined. Guys, have you seen that PCU of a bigger vehicles is more? Bigger trucks, the PCU is more, bike PCU is less. Why? This is a constant value. The capacity of road when car is moving. When there are bigger vehicles, so capacity will be less, denominator will be less. Guys, the 50 tire truck will be traveling less, capacity will be, number of vehicles will be less. Bike can go very fast, but 50 tire will be going one complete cross section, then again some will be coming, but bike will so bike will be having larger denominator, so value will be less. Now capacity of car is 1000 into V by S, so 1000 into V 80, and spacing is 5, and capacity of truck is 1000 into 40 by 10. Correct? So if you put these value in numerator, this value in denominator, are you getting 4 answer? Are you getting 4 answer, guys? Have you understood how to find the PCU? Okay. Now guys, SOM is done, survey is done, and transport is done. So out of this survey of 6, this is 9 and 15. 9 plus 6, 15, and 15 and 8, 23. Out of 23 marks, how much you scored? Now RCC is left and soil is left. Out of 23 marks, how much you scored, guys? Everyone. Every commando. And today at 7:30 p.m. on app, guys, a special session. The complete 1-year road plan. 13. Prem Patel is leading. 17. Prem Patel and Shaumik are leading. Then Ambrish. Then Mayank. Okay. Okay. So Som, these are done, है ना? These are done. Now we have to go soil and RCC. So first of all go RCC, only 3 questions. That is first of all complete this. Okay. Chalo. This is a 2-mark question. This is a 2-mark question. Okay. A singly reinforced rectangular beam has a width of 200 mm and effective depth of 350 mm. So B is equal to 250 and effective depth is equal to 350 mm. The limiting value of MOR. Chalo. Limiting value. So what is actual limiting for this grade of steel? 0.48 into D. So 0.48 into 350. 0.48 into 350 is 168. Okay. So MU limiting is 0.36 into FCK. FCK is grade of steel, grade of concrete. FCK into 0.36 FCK into B into XU limiting into D minus 0.42 into XU limiting. What is D? D is 0.35. So guys, from here the answer is 67.6. Okay. 17th. Now little bit twist is there. Isko karo. The intensity of superimposed load excluding the beam can get simply supported. Guys, what is the maximum bending moment? WL square by 8. That W has to be known. Acha, what is this is external load due to self weight UDL. What is that? B into D into gamma na? B into D into gamma. What is that? B into D into gamma. B is 0.25. D will be for self weight, it is total 0.55 into 25. So self weight is how much? 3.44. This is the UDL due to self weight. Okay. The intensity of superimposed load excluding the self weight. Self weight is this. Now guys, limiting is this na. So actual will be actually 180 by 1.5. That is 120. So maximum moment, and the total UDL will be W of external plus W of self weight into L square by 8. This should be 120. Correct? WL square by 8 should be 120 na. WL square by 8 should be 120 na. So what is the value coming from here? What is the value of W coming from here? बता दो. 23.22 you are getting. Please confirm. Yes, Prithvi. Come on away. Ganguly, Bhaskar, Pothina, Mayank, Ambrish, Abhinav, Bhaskar, Giri, Prithvi. Got it? Okay. The moment of resistance is, first of all, calculate XU, guys. So C is equal to T. C is equal to 0.36 FCK into B into XU. T is 0.87 Fy into AST. What is FCK? FCK is 25. What is Fy? 415. What is B? B is 200. What is AST? 4 numbers of pi by 4 into 20 mm diabar. Everything is known. From here, when you calculate XU, it is 161.3. From here, XU is 161.3. Now, what is XU limiting for this grade of steel? For Fe415, it is 0.48 of D. So, 0.48 of 300 is 144. So, XU, that is 161.3, is greater than XU limiting. XU limiting is 144. So, it is over-reinforced section. So, over-reinforced section, moment of resistance is corresponding to MU limiting. Okay, so it is 0.36 FCK into BD, this force into lever arm. D minus 0.42 XU. D minus 0.42 XU. D minus 0.42 XU. How much it is getting? 62.08. 62.08. Everyone give me yes or no. XU is 251. Okay, whatever. XU is whatever value is 251, then also the same answer, na? Then also it is over-reinforced. Acha, question 15 is missing. This is missing. I intentionally missed this. I intentionally missed this. कहाँ गया? I intentionally missed this. Question number 15. Transport question, guys. Then it will be 23 marks complete. I intentionally missed this. Now let's see. For equilibrium superelevation, I have thought the question also when I was preparing in the night. For equilibrium superelevation, pressure on outer wheel is more. 2 mark question, guys. Pressure on inner wheel is more. C, both same. D, can't say. I want to see who can do this. For equilibrium superelevation. For equilibrium superelevation. In case a vehicle is moving and it is considered equilibrium superelevation. चलो अच्छा, area of contact is same if nothing is mentioned. This is vehicle is moving in this road. This is R1 inner wheel. This is R2 is outer wheel. This is inner wheel and this is outer. Vehicle is moving like this. Vehicle is moving like this. Vehicle is moving like this. I am not asking the value of what is the name? Balam. Balam, I am not asking the value of equilibrium superelevation. I am not asking the value. I am not asking the value. चलो okay, so guys the vehicle is going inside like this. So guys, here the mv square by r is acting, here the weight is acting mg, and the lateral friction will be acting here. This is the lateral friction F. Okay, now in this case let the difference between the two wires is B and this is H. Now if we summation moment about any point has to be 0, if the body has to be in equilibrium, movement of mv square by r will be 0, movement of w will be 0. So movement of r1 will be clockwise r1 into b by 2, the movement of f will be clockwise f into h, and movement of r2 will be anti-clockwise. So clockwise has to be equal to anti-clockwise. This will be r2 into b by 2 about this point. About this point w will be 0, mv square by r be 0, that is passing from that point. So r1 into b by 2, f into h, and r2. So usually the pressure on outer wheel will be more. Usually the pressure on outer wheel will be more. That means guys, when we fill the air in the petrol pump, when we fill the air in the petrol pump, okay, on the tires, then we put everywhere the pressure same 35 or whatever, 30 or whatever, 40. So guys, in outer wheel we have to put more air, na? Yes or no? In outer wheel we have to put more pressure, yes or no? In outer wheel we have to put more pressure, yes or no guys? Yes or no? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. There is nothing afternoon and forenoon. No guys, no. Yes. How you know that outer? If the vehicle is going like this, then R2 is outer, but the turn will be like this, then this will become outer, na yaar? Come on yaar. If the vehicle is going like this becomes outer. When the vehicle is going like this, another will be going outer curve, and road can be like this, na? So here this becomes outer, but here this becomes outer. Here mv square by r will be away from the center like this. Here away from, it will be like this. Okay, so this is the usual case. Usually R2 is more. But for equilibrium superelevation, we neglect the friction. So R1 is equal to R2. Okay. For equilibrium superelevation, both same. But usually R2 will be more. Everybody please put a heart sign for this question. Everybody please put a heart sign for this question, guys. Okay. So this done. SOM structure done, survey done, RCC done. Okay, so only soil is left now. Only soil is left. So let us do now soil mechanics. Chalo. Everyone, come on. Come on. Calculate the total volume of the specimen. Pi by 4 into 30 square into 80. Tell me please, in centimeter cube if you find 56.54. 56.54 in centimeter cube. What is the volume of air? Air void is 15%, na? So volume of air is how much? Percentage air void is that 15%. So 0.15 into 56.54. So how much is volume of air? 8.48. Okay. Now water content is 0.1. That is weight of water by weight of solid. Okay. So weight of water is volume of water into gamma W, because volume is given us, so better convert in volume. and weight of solid is G times of gamma W, that is density, into volume of solid. So that is volume of water, G into gamma W is cancelled. So what is the value of G? 2.7 into Vs. Correct? Correct? Okay, so one relation is volume of water by 2.7 volume of solid is 0.1. This is one relation. And second relation is that volume of water plus volume of solid is 56.54 minus 8.48. That is second relationship. Yes or no? Yes or no? From here, can you find volume of solid? From 1 and 2, 2 equation, 1 to unknown. From 1 and 2, find volume of solid. Also volume of water you can find out. 2 unknowns. Find the weight of dry soil. So dry soil will be, what in case of dry soil, the weight will be volume of solid into density. So Vs you can calculate from here. Vs you can calculate from here. That will be B option. That will be B option. Have you got it? Okay, do this. 1 mark question, guys. IC NAT type problem. NAT type problem, guys. Everyone hit it. Everyone, guys, hit it. IC will be WL minus natural water content upon WL minus WP. This is 40 minus 32 upon 40 minus 15, and this value is coming out to be how much? 32%. Everyone, Yukta, Prem. Okay. Now this one, again 1 mark question, guys. Gamma D is gamma bulk upon 1 plus W. Gamma bulk is 24. 1 plus 0.2, 1.2. 20. Yes, Bhaskar, Mayank, Dharmendra, Om. 22. Soil is excavated from here. This is borrow pit, and taking the soil from here, and we have made the fill here. Okay. If the voids in the borrow pit is 1.4, volume here is 1,50,000, void ratio here is 0.8, and void ratio here is 1.4. Then what is find? Find out the amount of soil required from here. Here the volume is required. Now, guys, of course here voids are more. Voids are more, so more amount of soil has to be excavated. Now volume of solid will be same. That will be total volume upon 1 plus E. So volume of solid, total volume upon 1 plus E here is equal to total volume there, 1,50,000 upon 1 plus 0.8. How much you are getting? How much you are getting? This? Okay, great. 23. 23. Everyone hit this question, guys. Hit this question. Hit it hard. Okay. Passing through 4.75 mm is 55%. That means gravel is more than that. 45% gravel. Passing from 75 micron is 8. That means fine grain soil is 8 and gravel is 45. That means how much is sand? Out of the 55%, 8 has gone. So it is 55 minus 8 will be 47%. Correct? Gravel 45 and sand is 47. Now guys, IP is 3% and IP value from the percentage of fraction particles is 8%. Okay. Now whatever that soil classification I told you, this fines is 8%. So this is between 5 to 12. Fines is 5 to 12. So what I told you when I was telling you, when I teaching you the concept. So here the names will be GWGP, GWGM, GPGM, GWGP, GWGM, GPGM, GPGC, and same for sand, SWSP, SWSM, SP, polygrade sand, GWGC, SWSC, SPSM. Okay, now gravel is less and sand is more. So answer will be any one of this. Gravel cannot be answer. Gravel cannot be the answer. Now Cu is 2. Cu is 7, that is greater than 4, and it is between 1 to 3. So poor cannot be the answer. Guys, gravel cannot be the answer because gravel is less and sand is more. Poor cannot be the answer because these ranges of Cu and Cc are between W and our range of W. Now it will be clay or silt. Now plasticity index is 3. Guys, when the plasticity index, I tell you that clay is more plastic. Clay is more plastic. Okay, clay is more plastic. Usually the IP value more than 7 is clay. Less than 4 is silt. Okay, and 4 to 7 is dual behavior. Greater IP value is clay, less than 4 value it is silt. So here the IP value is 3, it is silt. So clay cannot be the answer. So SWSM. Give me yes or no for this beautiful question. Give me yes or no for this beautiful question, guys. Everyone. Got it? Okay. 24. The ground conditions of a site are, the water table is at ground level. This is water table and this is ground level also. What is the effective stress? 4 meter below. So sigma bar is sigma minus u. What is sigma? Gamma sat into 4. What is u? Gamma w into 4. Find gamma sat. What is the value of gamma sat you are getting? The values are given now, you can calculate, it will be 20.5. Here the values are given. So 20.5 into 4 will be 82 minus 40. So this will be 42. This will be 42, guys. Everyone, give me yes or no. Have you understood, guys? Everyone, come on, guys. Come on. Have you understood? No, Anwar, it is 10 given, na? When in the course examination, it is not given as 9.81 or whatever, you have to take it complete value, yaar. You have to take the complete value. Okay. Complete value you have to take. जल्दी बताओ. आपके मॉक टेस्ट का लेवल ज़्यादा लगता है तो सही है ना, एग्जाम में कम लगेगा ना. The more you sweat in the practice, the less you bleed in the war. The more you sweat in the practice, the less you bleed in the war. ओके चलो चलो चलो, enjoying the test. चलो 25th पे करें. ये क्या पूछ रहा है? The laboratory consultation data for an undisturbed clay sample are like this. The void ratio for a pressure of 600. If I make a graph of E and log sigma bar, if I make a curve for E and log sigma bar, then the graph is like this. When the void ratio is 1, then the stress is 85. When the void ratio is 0.80, when the void ratio is 0.80, then it is log 465. Okay, now when it is more pressure, 600, when it is more pressure, then what will be E? Log 600. Why I am making log? Because that graph is a straight line, slope will be constant. Okay, one thing is very sure, that for 600 value will be less than 0.8, so this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. Yes guys? Yes guys? Now y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus 0.8, I am telling only magnitude wise, upon x2 minus xy, that is log 465 minus log 85. So log a minus log b is log a by b. 465 by 85 is equal to, now let me do here, 0.8 minus E upon log 600 by 465. So from this, what is E? Because slope of a straight line is same, na? So here is the slope, here is the slope. What is the value of E? 25th B. What is the value of E, guys? Everyone please tell me. Everyone please tell me. Everyone please tell me, guys. Point 77. Okay, good. 26th, guys, are literally unconfined. That means for the sample unconfined, there is no stress confining it. Sigma 3 is equal to 0, and sigma 3 is equal to 0 is only possible for clay. Only possible for clay, guys, because without confinement, clay C is 0. Okay, clay phi is 0. Phi is 0, so this cannot be the answer. Because guys, without confining, you cannot make sand a sample. You cannot erect the sand. In clay, what happens? Due to cohesion, it has the internal cohesion, internal force. So it can be a sample. But for sand, you cannot make a sample without confinement, without compressing it or without holding it. It cannot be erect. Sand will fail. Without holding it, without applying the load, it cannot be erect. But sand can be erect without confinement. Or clay can be erect without confinement. Now, it failed under an axial vertical stress of 120. Okay, so if you draw the Mohr circle for this, so this sigma 3 is 0 na, and that is 120. Okay, so clay is like this. So what is C? C is radius. 120 by 2, that is 60. So 60 kilonewton per meter square, if you convert, it will be like this. 60 kilonewton per meter square na. So kilonewton into Newton, 1000, and mm square, it will be 10 ki power minus 6, 10 ki power 6. So 10 ki power 4, 6 by 100, 6, it will be D option. Okay. Now guys, this is the last question. I am again telling you before this that on the 4th February, both afternoon session and forenoon session, we will be doing the complete analysis, the safe score, the cutoff and everything. And this I will be coming tonight, 31st January, tonight guys, on app, a special session. What is the road? What is the road of next 1 year? What is the road of next 1 year? That I will be taking tonight at 7:30 PM on app. Okay, this will be on app guys. This is my Telegram group, and this will be the next Richam I will be coming. But before that guys, do this question. I am sharing my Telegram group as well, where you can get the PDF. Come on. Nahi, then Sarvan, if you take sigma without log na, then it straight line will not be coming. Then the curve will be like this, and that slope is different at every point. So answer will not be very realistic. What is the QF? Guys, neglect the end bearing. So QU is equal to QF. So QF is equal to sigma average into tan delta into AS. K into sigma average into tan delta into AS. Guys, I recommend you all to get the value of K and delta. Remember, might not be they are giving the table every time. Might not be they are giving the table every point. Okay. So guys, I recommend you to know the table. So what is the effective stress here? Tell me. It is clay. It is clay. Clay na? Put one more option, none of these. Clay, this formula is not there na? This is for sand. For clay, what is? Alpha C AS. For clay na? Alpha into C, alpha value take it as 0.7 here. Okay, 0.7. What is C? Guys, C what we will be taking? It is everywhere different. Everywhere different. And but linearly changing, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Friction is acting at the along the length na. So 40 plus 80 by 2. So average C we will be taking. If it is end bearing, so end bearing is only acting here. We will take C80. If it is end bearing, CNC into AB. If it is end bearing, then we take only C at the end, because end bearing is acting here. C is here. But it is QF, so complete average we will be taking. So alpha into C into AS. AS is pi into D. 0.4 into length 25. So none of these will be coming. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the complete analysis, and this I'll be taking 7:30 p.m. tonight. This is my Telegram group, guys. This is my Telegram group link. Can you please tell me out of 42 marks how much you score here? Then Richa ma'am will be coming. Out of the 42 marks, everybody please write your this marks. अब रेडी है ना? ठीक है, मैं आपको आप ठीक है ओके ओके ओके, मैं 30 सेकंड में कर रहा हूँ, आपको मैसेज कर दूंगा. ओके, कितने आ गए मार्क्स? 26, 28, 21. ओके ओके ओके. ओके okay guys, then now Richa ma'am will be coming, and Richa ma'am will be taking now aptitude, environment, OCF, hydrology and irrigation. Then Dheeraj sir will be coming with maths, FM and per CPM. Okay guys, so you will be seeing now Richa ma'am. Okay, thank you guys, all the best guys. And one more, on 2nd Feb we have one more mock test. Okay, okay, thank you guys.
Hello my dear students, welcome back again to BYJU'S exam prep. So I guess I'm audible and visible guys. I guess I'm audible and visible. Quickly. Okay. Voice low? Is it? Not visible? Oh my god, Mayank, then I think you need to have a specs now. Okay. I guess I'm visible, audible, right? Okay, I'm invisible. Voice is low? Is it? I'm shouting on top of my voice. Just tell me voice is low, guys. Then I'll have to talk to the video team. Okay, fine. Okay. Click clear. Okay, let's start quickly. Don't know about me, can go through my profile. Next, you can download the BYJU'S exam prep. Link is in the description. You guys can download it from there. And guys, we are having exam analysis for civil and mechanical on 3rd and civil on 4th of February. And here is the general aptitude and mathematics schedule, which you guys can check it out. After that, we are having a workshop. If you are targeting for GATE 2025, how should you crack it in first attempt at 7:30 p.m. quickly. And just a minute, then I'll contact to the team. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Till then, just increase your the speed. I'll talk to the team. I'm sharing my AnyDex to them. They'll check it out. Okay. Then quickly, कुछ चीजें inform कर दूं फटाफट. Till then, let me inform you few things. And guys, we are having and then we are having an all India open mega mock test going from 27th of January to 2nd of February. So you guys can obviously attempt that. And guys, we have launched full syllabus course for 25 and 26, both in English and Hindi language. So language will not be a barrier. You guys can enroll for that as well. And we are having one-to-one counseling and complete guidance available. So you can contact on this number which is being given to you, or you can fill the counseling form which is available in the description box. Okay, apart from that, last you can join my Telegram group, and after that I'm starting with aptitude, environment, open channel flow, hydrology and irrigation. Guys, you cannot dare to miss open channel flow and hydrology, because you have seen the past in the forenoon session of GATE 2023, 5 marks for hydrology, 5 marks for open channel flow. So they have accounted for 1/10 of the marks. So you can't take that subject slightly, and of course you can't take environment and aptitude also lightly. So let's start. सॉल्यूशन की पीडीएफ मिल जाएगी. अरे पहले क्वेश्चन तो कर लो कंप्लीट पृथ्वी. ओके, रेडी एवरीबॉडी? Ready. Let's take a target that the coming questions, 10 questions of aptitude, 10 plus 8, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 questions. Let's take a target that we will complete it in 1 hour. Okay. Let's take a target that in 1 hour we will complete the questions. Ready for this challenge? So right now it's 11:47. Let's take it as 11:50. So 11:50 to 12:50, and after me, Dheeraj sir will be coming, and he'll be dealing with mathematics, fluid mechanics, PERT, CPM, and engineering mechanics. मैम टाइम देना सॉल्व करने का, साथ में सॉल्व करूं? You want me to solve it simultaneously or shall I give time to you guys? Just tell me once. OCF and हाइड्रोलॉजी के लिए सेशन बेनिफिशियल हो सकता है? बिल्कुल हो सकता है बैंक, मैं हूं तो हर चीज बेनिफिशियल ही होगी ना, आप बात कैसे कर रहे हो? Okay, fine. Okay, time for us. Okay, so this is the first question for you guys. We have started from 28th question because 27 questions you have already completed. I'll read the questions for you guys. A vessel contains liquids A and B in the ratio 5:3. If 16 liters of the mixture is removed and same quantity of liquid B is added, in the ratio becomes 3:5. So can you tell the capacity of the vessel? Come on guys, quick. Quick. I'm giving you time. Thoda sa time. 10-15 seconds. Okay. Now, I'm giving you time. Nobody's answering. Okay. Now, a vessel is containing two liquids A and B in the ratio 5:3. So, we can say that the vessel contains liquid A 5x and contains liquid B 3x. Clear? So, it contains liquid A 5x and it contains B 3x respectively. Now, how much quantity is removed? 16 liters is getting removed. 16 liters removed हो गया. तो removed quantity कितनी थी? How much was the removed quantity? How much was the removed quantity? 16 liters is removed. So 16 upon 5 plus 3, because the total of liquid A and B was 5 plus 3, that is 8. And how much of the liquid was removed? Liquid, कौन सा liquid remove हुआ? If 16 liters of the mixture is removed and the same quantity of liquid B is added, multiply by 5. How much it will come? कितना आ जाएगा ये? This will come out to be 10 liters. This will come out to be 10 liters. मतलब कितना क्वांटिटी रिमूव हुआ है? 10 liters of A is being removed. अब कितना ऐड किया गया? कितना ऐड किया गया? How much is being added? 16 minus total 16 था, this 6 liters of B. This is mixture and alligation question, so there are chances that you guys can make mistake. अब क्या बोला है? Same quantity of liquid B is added and the ratio becomes 3:5. So 5x में से 10 liters हटाओ, because liquid A, out of that 10 liters was removed, and from liquid B how much was added? 16 liters was added. So 16 liters आपने add कर दिया. The ratio will become 3:5. So calculate x from here. How much it is coming? X will come out from here. पहले इसको 5x minus 10. 3x plus 10 is equal to 3 by 5. From here, x will come out to be 5. So what is the quantity does the vessel hold? 5x plus 3x, 8x, or 8 into 5 is 40. Very good, Veer. Very good. 40 liters is the quantity the vessel is holding. Correct. Clear, guys? Chalo, very good. Soumya, Soumik, Vikas, everybody good. Go. This is a good question. Now this we have got it from your selling price, cost price. An article is sold for 1176 rupees. That is the selling price. After two successive discount on the list price, that is the marked price. 30% once discount and then the next discount was 16%. What is the difference between the list price and the selling price of the article? One formula is there. Within a fraction of seconds you will solve it. This is a 2 marks question. I forgot to write 2 marks. And this is again a 2 mark question. Come on, guys. No, I'm writing my Ank. Come on. Selling price rupees 1176. Discount 1 is 30%. Discount 2 is 16%. Selling price is given. You need to just find the list price. Come on. Quick. There's one formula. I guess if you know it, it's okay. Otherwise, I don't know. You know what? Here they have written what is the difference between the list price and selling price. Instead of writing that, you know what they can write? What is the discount being offered? They could have written like this also. So let me tell you, discount is equal to list price minus selling price for your reference purpose. Now, come on guys, I'm waiting for your answers. Quick. There's one formula. I don't know whether you know or not, but I'm just waiting. Anybody can give the answer, then I'll say. Nobody. Chalo. See, this is a very important formula. Apart from GATE, if you're preparing for any other examination, also trust me, guys. And in that, if aptitude comes, this formula will be a lifesaver for you. See, list price, okay, selling price is given to you as how much? 1176. List price it is asking to you. Check it out. Here two discounts are there. One discount is 30%. So 100 minus 30 by 100. Another discount is how much? 16%. So 100 minus 16 by 100. That's it. Just one line formula and you'll get the answer. So list price, calculate how much it is coming. How much it is coming? 1176 into 100 into 100. 100 minus 30 is how much? 100 minus 30 is how much? 70. 100 minus 16 is how much? 84. How much is the list price you are getting? 2000 rupees. Very good. Very good. Guys, Sharya. Amrish, nahi beta. D option hai. Okay. So what it has asked you, the difference between the list price is 2000 and selling price is 1176 rupees. So how much it will come? 824 rupees. So D will be the correct answer. Clear? Sure. Now, next question. This is again a 2 marks question. Rajiv visited an electronic gadget store to buy mobile phones and laptop. He purchased 2 mobile phones and 1 laptop. Okay. For this purchase, he paid full amount of the mobile phone but only 1/3 of the amount of laptop. In total, he paid rupees 6000. After a week, एक हफ्ते बाद, he visited that same store and purchased 3 mobile phones and 2 laptops. For this purchase, he paid full amount of laptops but only 1/2 of the amount of mobile phones. And in total, he paid 1,10,000. Now, how much amount he should pay if he purchased 1 mobile phone and 1 laptop, and we are assuming that he pays full amount for both of them. So Rajiv is a miser person, I guess. Why he is not paying the full amount? Chaliye. Now this is basically a unitary method, you can say, you will go by and you'll be able to solve it. Come on. I'm just writing X and Y. Like I can take X be the price of 1 mobile phone. And Y be the price of 1 laptop. Clear? Now what it has told you that he purchased 2 mobile phones. So 2x, okay, one mobile phone cost x rupees. So 2 mobile phone will cost how much? 2x rupees. Full amount of the mobile plus 1/3 amount of the laptop. So y by 3. So how much he is paying? 60,000. So if I take the LCM, 6x plus y is equal to 18,000. 1,80,000. This is one. Next, after a week, he visited the store again and purchased 3 mobile phones and 2 laptops. Now, this time he paid full amount of the laptops. How much laptops he purchased? 2 laptops. So, pura paisa de diya. 2 laptops. But how much money he gave for the mobile? Only 2/3. So, he purchased 3 mobiles, but he paid 2/3. So 2/3 of x. Q ma'am 2/3? Because he has not paid the entire amount. So this will come out to be 1,10,000. So now this will become 3 will get cancelled out. 2x plus 2y is equal to 1,10,000. Good. Okay. So you have two equations, two unknowns. So what you can do is you can multiply equation 2 by 3 and then you can subtract from equation 1. You will get the value of x and y. How much x and y is coming, guys? How much is x and y coming? Total 55,000. X और y की individual values बता दो. Just tell me the individual values of x and y. Y is 30,000 rupees. And what is x? Two equation is sufficient. I am just solving those two equations. Two unknowns are there now. Number of unknowns, number of equations. Mobile phones, laptops. Two unknowns, two equations. How much is x coming? 25,000. अब वो आपने उस मेथड से कर लिया, then I can't say. Then x plus y will become how much? 25,000 plus 30,000. So that is 55,000. Correct. Okay. Next question. Come on, solve this question. This is a 1 mark question. Quick, quick, quick. Solve it fast. किसका आंसर दे रहे हो? Which question, Prabal? Two numbers are 35% and 50% lesser than a third number. By how much percent is the second number to be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? So let us suppose that the number which we are talking about, that the third number is A. कुछ भी ले लो. So first number is 35% lesser, means A minus 35% of A. कितना आ जाएगा? 0.65 A. Correct. Second number is 50% lesser. A minus 50% of A. That is 0.50 A. Now it is asking कितना percent से second number को enhance करे? By how much percent should I enhance the second number so that it become equal to the first number? तो जो second number है, the second number it will be there as it is. How much you will enhance it? Let us suppose x percent. X percent of 0.5 A. इस तरीके से you do it in such a manner that you get 0.65 A. Okay, so you're enhancing the second number by x percent, which you don't know and you have to calculate such that it become equal to the first number. So 0.5 A plus x by 100 into 0.5 A. This is equal to 0.65 A. So from here, when you will solve it, how much you will get, guys? How much you will get from here? Correct. A कैसे आया, guys? Very wrong. Sharia Khan, how will be A beta? It will be 30%. Solve it. This will be x upon 100 into 0.5 A. This will become equal to 0.15 A. Solve it. यहीं से देख रहा है, it will come out to be 30%. Clear? So 30. Again 1 marks. How can you forget English? It's your first love, right? English, 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 English movies, English novels, English literature, and even English in your aptitude. The older you get, it becomes difficult to find a job. The older you get, it becomes difficult to find a job. Come on, guys. Please kindly write the question number. I already told you there is a lag in YouTube. It's English means me. Then it's a compliment. I'll take it. Thank you. The older you get, the more difficult it becomes. More difficult नहीं होगा जब द से start हो रहा है ना. So generally I'll tell you one more thing. अब आगे काम आएगा. After the, if there is a vowel, आप उसको दी बोलते हो. Okay, like the Taj Mahal you will say. But agar if you are talking about a specific umbrella, the umbrella, because umbrella ka jo you have, that is a vowel. अब यहाँ पे older का o, that is a vowel. So here you don't say the older, you say it here the older. ये phonetics pronunciation है. So that's just telling you. So if you get confused, sometimes you call it as the, sometimes you call it as the. So here it will be the because उसके बाद vowel है, o है. ठीक है? So the older you get, the more difficult it becomes to find a job. So the more difficult will be there. Clear? Okay. Next question. This is a 2 marks question. Solve it. The given figure determine the value of x degree. AB, CD, EF are straight line. EOC is given to you y degree. BOF is given to you y by 3 degree. Come on, guys. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. Very good, Shramik. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Okay. How you did? Check it out. In your school time, you have studied. This is what AOE and BOF. These are what? Vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. So 30 is equal to y by 3. Y is equal to how much? It will become 90 degree. Correct? After that, next what you can see? Next what you can see it here? ये दिख रहा है AOD. Angle AOD and angle BOC, they are also vertically opposite angles. So angle BOC will also become x degree. This will be x degree. Now you know linear pair AOE plus EOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. So 30 degree plus y degree plus x degree is equal to 180. So 30 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. So from here x will come out to be how much? 60 degree. Simple mathematics, geometry, vertically opposite angle. Okay, now this is again 1 mark. We dash the sky and dash for the first sound of the dawn chorus. Come on. We dash the sky very good, Shomik, Paul, very good, everybody. It's going on in the past continuous tense. We were watching the sky and listening for the first sound of the dawn chorus. Because here two people are there, that is we. We means ab do ho sakta hai, zyada ho sakta hai, we are there. So here it is plural. So was watching cannot be there. Okay. So first was watching will be gone because we are talking about the past continuous tense. Clear? Chaliye. Now this question. एक minute, I've just one. This is too much. No. Which of the above statements are grammatically correct? Grammatically correct. Now guys, abhi chalo like homophones concept will come. Come on, solve it, then I'll tell you. Quick, quick, quick. Dekho, here I haven't done the spelling mistake. Two advice are there. This is advise and this is advice. Bolo ko, in pronunciation they are like more or less same. But you have to tell me. Come on guys, I'm waiting for the answer. Advice, advice means I'm giving you an opinion. Like I'm giving Mayank an advice that Mayank try to use a more amount of virtual calculators rather than using scientific calculators so that your efficiency will increase. So I'm giving advice, advice. I'm giving my opinion to a person. Okay, and what is advice? Wrong. Nobody told it correctly. Wrong, wrong, wrong. 35th, guys, come on, read it. Everything is na, it's then a paneer pasanda, paneer lababdar, paneer Hyderabadi, everything looks same. So similarly, all the four options right now is looking same for you, exactly like the dishes of paneer. But come on, answer. Very good, Sogata, Lakshmi Narayan and Giri. Very good, beta. It is C. On the advice of the resort's manager, the family visited a secluded beach by a nature. Resort manager ne advice di. He gave an opinion and suggestion. Okay, and the family followed that and they visited a nature preserve. So only A. Correct. Okay. Sure. Now this question. 1 mark. I've included one probability question. A biased coin occurring, a biased coins, biased है मतलब 50-50 probability नहीं होगी, with heads occurring thrice as frequently as tails. So the probability of heads is more frequently. How many times? Thrice as tails. If you toss 4 times, there are chances that 3 times heads will come and 1 time tail will come. What is the probability that the outcome in the first and fourth tosses are different? Means example, if first head is coming, fourth it will be tail. If first, excuse me, tail is coming, then here it will be head. So इनकी probability क्या है? Either this or this. Come on guys, either this or this. They are not talking about the middle, so you don't have to bother about the middle. If one is head, other should be tail, or first is tail, other should be head. So the probability of heads occurring thrice as frequently as tails, and the probability of tail 1/4. Either this can happen or this. So plus 1/4 into 3/4. So 3/16 plus 3/16 will make 6/16. That is 3/8. Very good, Somik. He is the one who answered it correctly. So it deserved to be 1 mark only. Don't you say that, ma'am, it is a 2 marks question. Correct? Okay. Now last 1 mark question of your aptitude. Come on, answer. Dash the attendance in school didn't drop. अभी तो बच्चे environment के questions, guys. Wrong. Nobody answered it correctly. Only Craft Boy has answered it correctly. In spite नहीं, despite. Despite होगा ना भाई. In spite कब use करते हो आप यार? Despite, like I'll tell you, despite electricity is not there in my home, I'm taking classes right now with you. You know that? I told Abhinav sir that, sir, there are chances because even inverter, because light is coming and going, so inverter is also becoming switching on, off, and all those things. So right now, I did that jugaad. What I did is, I switched off the MCB so that, see, light is coming and going. So that's why inverter is like, it's up and down, it's happening. So I just switched off the MCB so that inverter will function. So despite electricity is not there, I'm taking the class. So here also, despite heavy rainfalls, The attendance in school didn't drop. Okay, so the word despite will be there. कि conditions ऐसी थी, like right now in my home electricity is not there, it's coming and going, some problem with the transformer, but still I'm taking class. Technically I should have cancelled it because something which is not favorable is happening right now, but despite that, uske बावजूद I'm doing it. Clear? Now this one. Now although क्यों हो गया, यहाँ पर आप दो अलग contradiction statements की बात कर रहे हो ना, which are not favorable. Okay, now we'll start with environment. This is the first 1 marks MCQ question. Come on, guys. So that completed your 10 questions of aptitude. Now we'll start with this. And guys, quick. We are just lagging now. We took the target that 12:50 we have to complete. Come on. To control vehicular pollution from exhaust of vehicles, which is fitted. I guess boys are more aware, but girls are also nowadays. Very good, Prudvi, Prabal. Very good, Sogata. That is catalytic converter. Correct. So you just put this so that exhaust gases and all can be exhaust gases and all क्या कर सकते हैं? Can be absorbed by the catalyst by a chemical reaction. So catalytic converter. Electrostatic precipitators you use in power plants and all. Fabric filters you use it again for removal of pollutants, but it should not be wet in nature. Okay. Now this one. This is again 1 mark question. The concentration of OH minus is given to you as 17 mg per liter and it is asking you the pH of the water sample. It is asking you the pH. How can you calculate the pH? You know, pH plus POH is equal to 14. Correct? Or you know one more formula. H plus into OH minus is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. And you know, it's very important to know that these values has to be in moles per liter. Moles per liter. And here it is given to you in mg per liter. So first you have to convert it into moles per liter. What is moles? Given weight, which is in milligram, converted into grams, divided by molecular weight. Molecular weight, oxygen 16, hydrogen 117. So from here it will come out to be 10 raised to power minus 3. अब ये grams per liter. Moles per liter. This is the concentration of OH minus ion. Now from here, what you can do is you can calculate POH minus log base 10 OH minus ion. It will come out to be 3. So pH will be 14 minus 3, 11. B कैसे आ रहा है? How is it B coming? How can you say that? 39 it is 11 coming. How come, Mayank? I'm invisible, it's okay, but question is also invisible or what? It's D. Very important, guys. Before the exam, I'm shouting on top of my voice that this has to be in moles per liter. Then only you can calculate pH and pOH. If it is not, first convert it into moles per liter and then solve it. Okay? Now this question. 2 marks. Good question. You have to do minus 0.33. Good, Mayank. If you are doing it wrong, kindly take a negative marking as well. This is an NAT question, so no negative marking first. Come on, answer. A municipal wastewater flow 5,000 meter cube per day is to be treated using activated sludge. MLS's concentration is given to you 1500 mg per liter. Can anybody tell me what is 5000 mg per liter? Bas ye you should know it. Underflow concentration. What is the denotion? What do you mean by underflow concentration? जो SST से निकल कर आ रहा है XU, useful sludge concentration, it is telling you as underflow concentration. Naam, they can make it fashionable, you have to apply your brain. So XU is 5000 mg per liter from the secondary clarifier. Sludge age is given to you as 12 days. Volume of the tank is given to you as 1200 meter cube. What is the volume of solids that must be wasted each day? देखो ये वॉल्यूम बोल रहा है बट टेक्निकली ये डिस्चार्ज है, सो इट इज आस्किंग यू QW. अप्लाई योर ब्रेन. Come on, apply your brain. देखो, here XC is given to me. I know sludge is equal to VX QWXU plus Q minus QWXC. XC is not given to me. This will become 0. Theta C will become Vx upon QWXU. Okay. Now, sludge age here is 12 days. Volume is 1200 meter cube. X is given to you as 1500 mg per liter. QW calculate. XU is coming out to be 5000 mg per liter. Come on, solve it, guys. You will get the answer directly of QW in meter cube per day. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? हमारा देश बदल रहा है. You know that I should appreciate this. Generally in chats there are girls and boys talking shit. But today I'm so happy that Amrish and Mayank are talking about how much they are scoring. So I'm proud. Yes, our India is changing. Chalo. Solve it. Tell me how much is QW coming. If you have studied 1 month, even if you have studied 15 days, but how much you have studied and how conceptually you have studied, that matters. 30. 30 meter cube per day. Simple question. Okay, chaliye. Now, this question. Again a 2-mark question. For a 30-meter diameter and 1 meter deep single stage high rate trickling filter. Single stage high rate trickling filter matlab recirculation hoga. When it is saying high rate, automatically you should be very cautious that recirculation will be happening. Sewage flow rate is given to you, recirculation ratio is given to you, it is asking you the efficiency. Now the formula of efficiency is given by 2 formulas are there. Anything you can use. Like if I want to get the volume in meter cube, I'll use 0.44. What is U? I already told you. This is organic loading rate in kg. This is organic loading rate in kg per day per hectometer. This is the formula. Correct? So now let's start it. See, how much is the sewage flow? 4.5 into 10 raised to power 6 liters per day. How much is the raw sewage? 250 mg per liter. How much is removed in primary sedimentation tank or primary clarifier? 25%. Then, how much should be going to the biological treatment, to the trickling filter? 100 में से 25% is gone. So how much will be going? 100 minus 25, that is 75. Now convert mg into kg. How much it is coming? So solve karo how much this is coming. 843.75. This is the value. But it is kg per day. It is like W by V. So I have got this value. I need volume also. If I take the volume in cubic meters, I will put 0.44. If I take the volume in hectometer, I will put 0.0044. So volume will be pi by 4 d square h. Pi by 4 30 square into 1. How much it will come? Calculate the volume also. Pi by 4 706.858. Clear? So 100 upon 1 plus 0.44, and what is this value? 843.75 divided by 706.858. This is kg per day cubic meter. I need to calculate recirculation factor also. The formula 1 plus R upon 1 plus 0.1 R whole square. Recirculation ratio is given to me as 1.4. Come on, solve it. How much is the F value coming? Bas. Solve it. You will get the percentage efficiency. Virtual calculator. That's if it comes, do it at the lab. If virtual calculator is there, now you have to calculate small values and write it in your notepad, man. That you need to do it. How much is the efficiency coming? Efficiency, guys. $60.48. Chalo. Different people's different answer. Now, whom should I check it out? Now, Yukta, if you will write this, na, and if it is coming wrong, 73.87. Correct up to 2 decimal places. Now you won't get any marks, huh? Yukta and anybody else who are not getting in the first go, no marks. No negative also, but no marks. And range, if anybody else are talking about, it is 73.10 to 74.18. So if anybody is getting in this range, the answer, give yourself 2 marks, otherwise don't. Okay, clear? 22 question, 1 mark. Now this is damn easy. In a water treatment plant, bleaching powder is used for the disinfection of the water. The facility serving a rural areas, water supply is 80 LPCD, population is 5,000. Daily requirement is 3.5 kg and the chlorine which is needed is 1.5 ppm. What is the efficiency of bleaching powder dosage? Good afternoon, Sophia. Efficiency. देखो, 55,000 people are there. One person requires 80 liters of water. बहुत कम पानी चाहिए यार इनको. 80 liters of water. Okay. How much chlorine it is required for treatment? For 1 liter, 1.5 mg is required. So for 5,000 into 80 liters, how much will be required? 1.5 mg per liter. Multiply कर दो. Now convert mg into kg. 10 raised to power minus 6 kg. This much is the requirement of chlorine. How much it is coming? This much is the requirement of chlorine. कितना आ रहा? 5,000 into 80 into 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. How much it will come? This is the quantity of chlorine which is required. How much? 0.6 kg per day आएगा. Requirement of bleaching powder is 3.5. Chlorine which is required is 0.6. So how much is the efficiency which is required? 0.6 divided by 3.5 into 100. See, every time patent question was there, how much bleaching powder is required, if it is 20% available chlorine is there, 40% available chlorine is there, that type of questions was there. This time it is a new question asking about the efficiency of the bleaching powder, and definitely it is a 1 marks question because no rocket science is there here. Okay, so 0.6 divided by 3.5 into 100, 17.14%. Correct. This question. Just a minute. Give. Fine. 2 marks question. Now this is easy only. A wastewater sample is experimented for 5 days and 20 degrees Celsius, and it came out to be 120 mg per liter. K value is given to you as 0.414 per day. How much is the BOD remaining after 8 days? No other temperatures, by default 20 degree Celsius only. Remaining after 8 days. You know LT is equal to L naught e to the power minus KT. You need to calculate only BOD ultimate. And rest, everything is given to you. K is given to you and time is 8 days. Okay. So from here we'll calculate. You can write BOD ultimate, you can write L naught, you can write anything, that doesn't matter. 120 BOD ultimate 1 minus e to the power k is 0.414 into time is 5 days. Calculate BOD ultimate. First calculate BOD ultimate and tell me. 43T. First tell me the value, then tell me the value of BOD ultimate, Giri, everybody else. What is BOD ultimate coming? Substitute it here. 5 mg per liter. Clear? Now, one more question of environment is there. Let's do it here only. Two questions are there. Fine. This question. This is a good question. Because we are in a flow of environment. Chalo, need आखिरी में कर लें कि पहले कर लें? Chalo, we'll do it at the last. Two more questions are there. Fine. Solve this question first. A 10-meter wide, this is an open channel flow question of 2 marks. 12. 4 questions, 2 marks, 4 questions, 1 marks. 12 marks. So 2 marks question 1 and 1 marks question 1 is left. A 10-meter wide rectangular channel has a bed slope 3.33 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Manning's roughness coefficient is 0.015 and the flow is taking place at a depth of 3 meter. At a particular section, GVF is observed, okay, and the flow depth is 3.1 meter. Now here uniform depth is given, so you can write it as YN. It is asking that the flow depth is Y, so tell us that whether it is mild slope, steep slope, and if it is mild, whether it is M1, M2, or if it is steep, whether it is S1, S2. So guys, for knowing whether it is mild or steep, what you can do is, I scored 4 in it. Don't worry, Mike. Why? I think you made mistake. Just show me your copy after this. Share with me your copy in Telegram personally. I'll check it out where you're making mistake. Okay. So now we need to calculate critical slope and critical depth. And for getting critical depth, you need discharge. Is discharge given to you in the question? Is the discharge given to you in the question, guys? No. First calculate the discharge then. Area into velocity. Now area is B into Yn, that is 10 into 3, 30 meters square. Let's calculate because it is a rectangular channel section. Perimeter 10 plus 2 into 3, 16. So R will be wetted area by wetted perimeter, 30 by 16. So 1 by n r to the power 2 by 3 s to the power. Ma'am, how you know Manning's formula to be applied? Because in the question they have given Manning's coefficient. Area is 30.015. R is 30 by 16 to the power 2 by 3 and slope is 3.33 into 10 raised to power minus 3 to the power half. How much is the discharge coming? 44C. Okay, tell me the discharge value then. 175.58 meter cube per second. So what will be the discharge per unit width? Width is given to you as 10 meters. So 17.558 meter cube per second per meter. So from here what you will do is you will calculate critical depth. YC is equal to Q square by G to the power 1 by 3. So 17.558 square. G, just check it out again whether whether anywhere it is given that to take 10 or not. 1 by 3. How much is the critical depth coming? 3.16 meter. So first check it out. Normal depth is less than the critical depth. That means YC is more than YN. So first of all, it is a steep slope. Correct? Because when CDL is above and NDL is below, it is steep. Now what is given to you that Y is 3.1 meter. So what is happening? Critical depth is more than Y than normal depth. So any value which is between CDL and NDL or NDL and CDL, it forms in zone 2. It is steep and it is in zone 2. So S2. 3.16 meter. Correct, Amrish. क्लियर 44 का ए कैसे आएगा अनवर बेटा फर्स्ट ही आप चेक करो ना YC is coming out to be 3.16 and YN is 3 meter. So CDL is above NDL. So firstly it is steep. अब steep में whether it is S1 or S2, check it out. The depth given to you is 3.1 meter. 3.1 meter is less than 3.16 meter. तो ये zone 2 हो. Calculation mistake. अब मैं क्यों गलती हुई? अब क्यों गलती हुई? चलो. Now this is again a 2 marks question. Open channel flow I have kept for 5 marks. Because अभी forenoon में भी आया था अच्छा खासा. Now, flow depth and bed slope of a wide rectangular alluvial canal is given to you. Velocity is given to you as 1.9 meter per second. And the mean size of the particle is 1.6 mm. What is the ratio of rugosity coefficient which you calculate by Strickler's formula and which you calculate by actual rugosity coefficient? Chalo, new question. Now, if you calculate rugosity coefficient means Manning's roughness coefficient by Strickler's formula. What will be the formula, guys? What will be the formula? D to the power 1 by 6, 21.1. You take 24 also, that is an ambiguity. Ab kyunki observation based hai. Now D you have to substitute it in meters. Remember that. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 to the power. मैम लास्ट क्वेश्चन में 24 आ रहा है. करके देखो 24 तो नहीं आ रहा है. क्यों 24 आ रहा है? Is it Ambrish, Giri? Is it coming 24? My also it's coming 175.58. Jaldi check karo small q. Just comment fast. Quick. आ रहा है comment करके बताओ. Is it coming same or is it coming different? Come on Yukta, everybody else. Anwar, Veer, Mayank. मैं भी एक बार कर ही लेती हूँ. 17.58 ही आ रहा है ना. अब आसपास थोड़ा चलेगा because see I have taken 13 by 16. You might have taken in decimal, so small variations can be there. Then Somek, you did calculation mistakes better. Now this question. Okay. So Strickler's equations, we are calculating the value of Manning's roughness coefficient first by this. How much it will come calculate, and we have to calculate by the traditional method, this formula. 1 by n r to the power 2 by 3 s to the power half. Velocity is given to me. Manning's roughness coefficient I have to calculate. See, in the question it is given wide rectangular channel, and in the question they have not mentioned the width. So in that case, you know r is equal to y. Yes, can I take that? Of course. For wide rectangular channel, 2 by 3, slope 1.5, 10 raised to power minus 4, power half. So from here you will get n. How much it is coming? Calculate yourself. And obviously you will depend on me only. n 0.0162 किससे आया? कौन सा वाला बता रहे हो? ये वाला 0.0162. And this one, by using this formula, how much it is coming? वही बोला ना, actually it is ambiguity. Sometimes somewhere they use d to the power 1 by 6 divided by 24. Sometimes they use 21.1. That is the ambiguity. How much it is coming from here? 0.0156. So it is asking you the ratio. Ratio by Strickler's formula to the actual. Strickler's is 0.0162 and I'll call it as n dash by n. And n, this one is 0.0156. How much it is coming? But I'll tell you the range, keeping in mind 24 also. Don't worry. How much it is coming? Tell me the ratio. This is coming 1.03. The answer to it will vary from 0.89 to 1.05. So if your values, if you are taking n d1 by 6 to the power 24, your answer will be here. इसका आ जाएगा. So it will be यहाँ पर आपकी value 0.9 something आएगी if you will take the ratio by using d1 by 6 to the power 24. So obviously it will fall in this range. So don't worry about it. Clear? वो range में fall. चलिए. Rugosity coefficient 0.0477 कहाँ से आया? कौन सा आया? This is the answer and this is the range. If you are getting in this range, whether you have taken d1 by 6 to the power 24, allot yourself 2 marks. Okay. Now this is a 2 marks question for irrigation. Easy breezy question. Irrigation you can't generally don't ask that much tough question. Okay. A loamy soil is there which the dry unit weight, that means gamma D, is 1.3 gram per cc. Root zone depth is 80 centimeter. Field capacity is 30%, that is 0.30. And the plant start wilting if the moisture content fall below 10%. It is asking you that how much is the minimum water depth required for the optimum growth of the plant is half of the field capacity moisture. If it is given that the minimum water required, minimum मतलब कम से कम water जो कि required होता है, is half of the field capacity moisture, then how much water you needed कि wilting point से optimum moisture तक लेकर आओ. Come on guys, easy question, not much difficult. Solve it. Quick, quick, quick. I'm waiting. अब देखो हमें फील्ड कितना पूछ रहा है, वाटर रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज फ्रॉम विल्टिंग पॉइंट से ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट तक. ध्यान रखना क्या बोला है, मिनिमम वाटर डेप्थ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ऑप्टिमम ग्रोथ इज हाफ ऑफ द फील्ड कैपेसिटी मॉइस्चर. अब यहाँ पे गलती करोगे, मतलब ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट इज हाफ ऑफ द फील्ड कैपेसिटी मॉइस्चर. क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं पूछ रहा है कि परमानेंट विल्टिंग पॉइंट से फील्ड कैपेसिटी और फ्रॉम ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट टू फील्ड कैपेसिटी. यहाँ पे धोखा खा जाओगे, ध्यान रखना. यहाँ पे ये जो आपसे DW पूछ रहा है ना, फील्ड कैपेसिटी माइनस ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट नहीं है. रिमेंबर, फ्रॉम विल्टिंग पॉइंट टू ऑप्टिमम मॉइस्चर कंटेंट. So it is asking from where to where? From wilting point to optimum moisture content. ये यहाँ गलती करोगे भाई साहब. This is a good question. You will make mistake here. कितना बोल रहे हो? 3.8. कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? Wrong. Wrong. Solve it. So this was a good question. Words के साथ खेला है और concepts के साथ. Generally everywhere field capacity minus OMC, field capacity minus OMC. Here you can't do field capacity minus OMC. नहीं कर सकते. Okay. So DW you need to calculate. Gamma D by gamma W. Gamma D is given to me 1.3. Gamma W of water is 1. Depth is given to you 80 centimeter. Optimum moisture content is 0.15 and permanent wilting point is 10. कितना दिया? Permanent wilting point is given to you how much? 10%. 0.10. How much is DW coming? Very good Amrish. Very good Mayank. अच्छा पहले भी आंसर दे दिया था. सौमिक. Good. Clear? So this is a good question, guys. So don't take it for granted. Field capacity minus optimum moisture content. It's very easy. No, you'll get the wrong answer if you do 0.30 minus 0.1. Yeah, pad lena last line. Okay. Now this question. From the hydrograph analysis, time of concentration is defined as 1 marks. Time of concentration is defined as सब गलत बोल रहे हैं. Nobody is telling me the correct one. भाई तुम लैग टाइम और इसमें ही कंफ्यूज हो गए, क्या ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे फिर. Only Shravan Kodari has told it correctly. Only Shravan Kodari. I'll tell you. Now listen to me very carefully. Abhi time of concentration, it can ask you lag time also. So kindly listen to me carefully. When the rainfall has ended to the point of inflection on the recession limit, this is A, this is B, this is P, this is C, this is D. So when the duration time from end of excess rainfall to the point of inflection on the recession limb, this is time of concentration. And if you talk about lag time from the center of here to the CG of the hydrograph, this is lag time. If the catchment is small, this see this crest segment becomes very much close to each other and time of concentration and lag time is equal. But for that, the condition is the catchment has to be small and the hydrograph needs to be symmetrical. Otherwise, there is a different way of calculating time of concentration and there is a different way for calculating lag time. Is it clear? And if you have marked it wrong, give yourself minus 0.33. Is it clear? No. This is an MSQ question. 2 marks. एक मिनट, मैंने भी एक ही क्वेश्चन कराया ना, 2 क्वेश्चंस हो गए थे ना, 2 मार्क्स. 1 मार्क्स कर लो MSQ. 1 mark. 1 mark MSQ. Come on, solve it. Quick. One marks MSQ, solve it. Falling limb is only known as recession limb. Come on, MSQ question, guys. This I have told you when I was taking the marathon also. For critical conditions. अभी यहाँ पे तो एक ही चीज दिया है. चलो करो. Very good everybody. For a given discharge, specific energy is minimum. For a given specific energy, discharge is maximum. Even same condition for specific force also. For a given discharge, specific force is minimum. For a given specific force, discharge is maximum. So A and C are the correct one. Clear? Okay. Now, this is 2 marks because this is, if you don't know the concept, you won't be able to solve it. That's why I've kept it this one. See, you know that you can measure the infiltration by double ring infiltrometer and by rainfall simulator. So if you are measuring by rainfall simulator, it is Fs, and if it is measuring by double ring infiltrometer, it is Fd. So can you tell which of the following is true? Wrong, wrong, wrong. Nobody told it correctly. Give yourself, those who ever said minus 0.66. That's why I've kept it for 2 marks. Guys, this is conceptual. Rainfall simulator, you take a plot of length 4 meter by 2 meter and you put nozzles on the bigger side and you do artificial rainfall. जो फिल्मों में आपने देखा होगा, when hero and heroine are doing the romance, the rainfall takes place. Naturally होती है क्या? No, that is done artificially, right? So here also you have a series of nozzles by which you spray in the case of rainfall simulator. So that you know factors affecting infiltration, then that one factor is the impact of raindrop. The impact of raindrop can be counted and that is the reason you have this rainfall simulator. So rainfall simulator में you get the impact of raindrops. You know that when raindrops are there, now वो क्या करते हैं, जब raindrops will fall onto the ground, they will cause the displacement of the fine particles. And it is possible that on the upper layers, those fine particles will get trapped and they will not allow the rate of infiltration. So they will lower the rate of filtration. That is the reason whatever value which you get it by rainfall simulator, that comes out to be less as compared to double ring infiltrometer. Okay, so that's why I kept it for 2 marks. Conceptual question. Now 2 more questions of environment and this is a 2 marks question and the last one is 1 marks question. यहाँ पर एक ही गलती कर सकते हो बस. Only one mistake you can do. There are 2 types of particles given to you. Particle 1, whose concentration is 400 mg per liter, velocity is 0.3 mm per second. Particle 2, whose concentration is 460 mg per liter and whose settling velocity is 0.2 mm per second. It is asking you what? The concentration of the particles in the settled water. A maximum students will get confused that what is the concentration in the settled water. यही नहीं पता, निकालोगे क्या? Settled water means total particle में से, settled water concentration means out of the total concentration how much percentage is removed, उसको minus कर दो. That is the particles which will be there. So concentration of particles in the settled water. First you need to calculate percentage removal. तो आपको यहाँ पे overflow rate is given to you as 25.92. Now this is a good question. Meter per day. Now for comparison you have to convert it into mm per second. So 25.92 mm. And 1 day is equal to, I told you, don't do 24 into 60 into 60, just write 86400. How much is the surface overflow rate coming? 0.3 mm per second. Now how much particle is there? 400 particles is there. You know now, percentage removal is given by Vs by V0 into 100. How much is the settling velocity? 0.3. How much is the overflow rate? 0.3. That means they are 100% removed. Then, how much is the concentration? 460. How much is the settling velocity? 0.2. How much is the overflow rate? 0.3. How much it is coming? Tell me how much is the percentage removal coming? I'll multiply by 100. How much is the percentage removal coming? पहले तो मुझे mg per liter में ही बता दो concentration, then I'll move further. Solve it and tell me how much it is coming. 400 plus 460 into 0.2 divided by 0.3. How much it is coming? Quick, quick, quick. कितना आ रहा है? 706.682 mg per liter. This is the percentage removal. इतना remove हो गया. This much amount has been removed. In the question, it is not asking me how much percentage removal has taken place. It is asking me the concentration of the particles in the settled water. So initially 400 plus 460 was there. Correct? This was there initially. After sedimentation, 706.682 has been removed. So how much is remaining? How much is remaining? 153.358. This much is remaining. Correct? So if you are getting the answer anywhere between 153.1 to 154, you are on the correct one. Clear? This is the one. So just check it out whether in the question it is asking about percentage removal or whether it is asking you concentration of particles in the settled water. Otherwise, you will make mistake. Because I've seen students, they write the answers. It is an MCQ question. It's not an MCQ question. It is an NAT question. So you write 706.682. That will become wrong. Okay? Clear? Fine. Last question. This is a 1 marks questions related to Chick law. Chick's law. Using Chick's law, determine the rate constant, that is K you have to determine. The number of microorganisms initially is 200 per 100 ml and after 10 minutes it is 15 per 100 ml. Come on. They haven't given you the Chick's law. So you need to remember what is Chick's law. Remember that, huh? You know, na, NT is equal to N naught e to the power minus KT. So 15 by 100 and this is 200 by 100 e to the power minus kt. So from here 15 is equal to 200 e to the power minus k. How much time? 10 minutes. So 15 by 200 e to the power minus 10k. Take log on both the sides. Natural log, log base e, 15 by 200 minus 10k log e base e. How much is the value of k coming per minute? Come on. How much it is coming? Solve kar lo. Round off to 2 decimal place and tell me. 0.259. Now I'm telling you to round off. So what you will do? Now I'm telling you to round off. What you will do, Paul? 0.26 per minute. Clear? Correct, ma'am. So 1 marks for this question. Fine. So with this, we have completed environment, hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow and aptitude. And now Dheeraj sir will be coming and he'll be taking mathematics for you guys, fluid mechanics, PERT, CPM and engineering mechanics. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed the session because guys, we are having one more mock test on 2nd of February as well. Okay, and as you know that we have All India Open Mega Mock Test going from 27th of January to 2nd of February and tomorrow we are having a workshop at 7:30 p.m. as well. Okay, and as I've told you, full syllabus 25 and 26 we have launched and we are having one-to-one counseling session also. You can call on the number and get a complete guidance. And last, I'll share my Telegram group and then I'm switching off my session and Dheeraj sir will be coming right back. Okay. And by the way, we achieved our target also. I said 12:50 and just 5 minutes more. So we have done it. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon guys to all of you. I welcome you once again. So guys, as your mock test was going on and I'm just going to continue with the remaining subjects, okay? So we are starting. Please tell me first of all, am I properly audible and visible to all of you? Yes, Yukta, good afternoon. Mayank, good afternoon. Am I properly audible and visible? So we are having now questions from mathematics, engineering mechanics, PERT, CPM and then fluid mechanics. Yes, Lasya, good afternoon. Anwar, good afternoon. Eunice, good afternoon. Soumya, Sogata, yes. Giri K, Yukta, very good. Everyone. So guys, we are starting now. So this is some detail about me. This is the Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. And on 3rd February, after the exam analysis will be there. And on 4th February, for both the shift, for civil engineering exam analysis will be there. We will be live just after your exam. Okay. So you can join us. And if you want one-to-one free counseling, the link is there in the description. You can fill the form or you can also call directly to this number. Okay. So we are moving further now. This is the very first question in front of you. And guys, this question is for 1 mark. Okay. So you can count your marks as well. This question is for 1 mark. Let us say how many of you give the right answer for this. Yes, Dharmender, Eunice, good afternoon. Pranath, good afternoon. So try to solve this question, guys. This is limit x tends to 0 sine square x by x. This is the question from calculus. So let us see how many of you give the right answer for this. Solve this one, guys. So we are going to have 52 to 65. Okay. Prithvi is saying A is the answer. Lakshmi is saying A is the answer. Sushmita A. Everybody is saying the answer to be A. And guys, yes, answer would be correct. A is the right answer. So you know, like limit x tends to 0. It is sine square x. Sine square x by x. If I am multiplying it with x and divide it with the x, then I can also write it as sine x tends to 0. That is going to be sine x by x ka square into x. I feel you know that when I will be putting limit to this, this would be coming out to be 1. And 1, when you will be putting x is equals to 0. So 1 into 0, answer is going to be 0. So A is going to be the right answer. Everybody have given the right answer. Moving further to the next question, guys. And this question is also for 1 mark. This is also from calculus. Okay. So this question is also from 1 mark, for 1 mark. Question number 53, this is the value of integral dx by 1 plus x square minus infinity to plus infinity. Yes, this is 1 mark calculus question. We have from all the topics, from matrix, from differential equations, from probability. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody, numerical method also I added one question. So dx integration minus infinity to plus infinity upon 1 plus x square. Yes, Dharmender, Yukta. Okay, Shravan is saying answer is C. Okay, what about others? Shravan is saying answer is C. What about others? Yes, everybody. Soumya is also saying the answer to be C. Okay. Anybody else? Yukta is also saying the answer is C. Okay. So guys, can you tell me if I am asking you the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, what is the integration of that? Is it tan inverse x? And we are having limits minus infinity to plus infinity. So if you are going to apply the units minus infinity, limits minus infinity to plus infinity, don't you feel tangent inverse infinity minus tangent inverse minus infinity? Don't you feel this is pi by 2? And don't you feel this is minus pi by 2? So answer should be pi, na? I don't know, none of you have given the right answer. Is it correct? Shouldn't it be pi? Please tell me. Correct or not? Please tell me, guys. Everyone. Giri K, Lasya, Uzma, Mayank, Sogata. Yes. So answer for this is going to be D. D would be the right answer. Pi would be the right answer for this. Okay. So guys, moving further here. Moving further here. Moving further here. Mayank, you understood? Yes. Very good. So answer will be D for this. So this was the mistake you have made here. Moving to the next question, guys. You know that there is a workshop today will be taken by Abhinav Negi sir. If you are preparing for GATE 25, tonight 7:30 p.m. you can join his workshop. And this is the next question. This time question is for 2 marks. This is from calculus, vector calculus. Yes. Let us see how many of you will be giving the right answer for this. The question is saying the directional derivative of the function fx. There is a function fx which is x square plus y square. And you need to tell the directional derivative. You need to tell the direction derivative. Direction derivative for what? This function, and that you need to tell along the line directed a 0, 0, 1, 1. So I would like to tell you that direction derivative will be given as del f into a vector by a ka magnitude, because this will be the unit vector in that direction. If you want to write down the a vector, that you can write the points are given 0, 0, 1, 1. So 1 minus 0 I cap plus 1 minus 0 j cap. This is the hint I have given you. Rest you can try and then I will be helping you. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Shravan is saying C is the answer this time. Okay, what about others? What about others? Very good. So Yukta also have given answer, Unix also have given the answer, and C is the right answer. Yes, very good. So this time I got right answer from some of the student. Very good, Dharmendra. Very good, very good. Prithvi, Mayank, Giri K, please tell me, have you done it? So when you will be finding out this A vector is coming out to be what? It is I cap plus j cap. So obviously when you will be finding out the mode of this, it is coming out to be 1 ka square plus 1 ka square. It would be root 2. Okay. Now my dear, we need to find out del f. Del f, when you will be finding out, you know x square when you will be going for, it would be coming out to be 2x I cap plus 2y j cap. There is no term of z, so that's why there will not be third term. And if you are talking about this del f value at a particular point 1, 1, then you would be getting it to be 2i cap plus 2j cap. So when you will be finding out direction derivative, you would be saying 2i cap plus 2j cap into what is a vector, I vector plus j vector divided by root 2. You will be going for the dot product. Answer will be coming out to be 2 root 2. C is the right answer for this. Wonderful guys. बहुत बढ़िया. C is going to be the right answer. Moving further to the next question guys. Question number 55, probability 1 mark. Probability 1 mark. Yes, everybody. This is an easy question. So 1 mark is the marks given. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least one head is. Probability of getting at least one head is. Probability of getting at least one head is. Yes, everybody. Probability of getting at least one head is. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Yes. So you can do it very easily by making the sample space. Okay, Yukta is saying D, Shravan is saying B, Soumya is saying B, Eunice is saying D. Okay, some of you are saying B, some of you are saying D. So I would like to say, first of all, sample space when you will be making for this, 3 coins are there now. So you know that there can be 3 heads. Okay, and you need to find out the probability of getting at least one head. At least one head. Okay, so you can have all the 3 heads. You can have 2 heads, 1 tail, like this, and like this. Okay, you can also have 2 tails, 1 head like this, 2 tails, 1 head like this, 2 tails, 1 head like this. You can also have all the tails. I feel if you are going to find out the probability of finding out at least one head, I feel out of this 8 cases, total are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only there is one case when you will not be getting even a single head. So obviously the probability can be, this is total cases favorable 7 divided by 8. So answer will be 7 by 8. So this is going to be the answer for this. So 7 by 8 or D is the right answer for this question. So those who have given 7 by 8, they got 1 mark from here. Moving to the next question guys. 56 for 2 marks, numerical method. If you have attended my session, I have taught you the trapezoidal rule. Okay, the formula will be, I am not going to remind you, you need to solve it first and then I will help you because it is a mock test going on. So this is a question from numerical method. I told you that I have taken all the possibilities for you. This is question number 56 for you. Try to solve it. Slightly calculative, but award is also 2 marks for this. Award is also 2 marks for this. Numerical answer type question. Okay, and at the end of the session, you can find out how much marks you are getting out of total 100. Everybody. Okay, Yukta have given the answer 22. Let us see. Anwar is also saying 22. Eunice is also saying 22. Sogata is also saying 22. जब सभी कह रहे हैं तो मैं भी कह देता हूँ 22. It is going to be y0 plus yn, then plus 2 times of y1 plus y2 plus so on up to yn minus 1. So when we are talking about this is x0, this is y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4.
So you can apply now. Step size they have given as 0.1. So it is going to be 0.1 by 2 into y naught is 0 plus 160. Then you can write 2 times of what is y1, 10 plus 40 plus 90. When you will be solving this, answer will be coming out to be 22, which is the correct answer. Okay, so 22 is the right answer. Moving further guys, question number 57. This is from Laplace 1 mark question. Laplace 1 mark question. Laplace 1 mark question. Very good Giri K. Laplace 1 mark question. Question number 57. After that we have 8 more questions guys. 8 more questions. Okay, Shravan is saying C. What about others? Shravan is saying C. Yes, everybody. मुझे लग रहा है Laplace बहुत स्टूडेंट्स का वीक है. Don't worry guys, I will try to put a session for Laplace if possible from my side before your exam. If you see this, we need to find out Laplace of t e की power t. You know, whenever we are talking about Laplace of t, it will be 1 by s. And when we are going to have multiply of e की power t, e की power t, what is the coefficient of t? Coefficient of t is 1. So I would be going for the shifting theorem. I will be going for the shifting theorem. And by shifting theorem, Laplace of t into e की power t will become 1 by s minus 1 का square. Okay, so you need to put the coefficient in the minus. Okay, so answer is going to be B for this. So I feel Giri K have given the right answer. None of other have given the right answer. Is it clear guys? Please tell me, shall we move further? Shall we move further? Everybody understood this? This is said to be shifting theorem. It is important. This type of question you can get directly from the exam. Everybody is clear? Please tell me, shall we move to question number 58? Yes, Mayank, Sushmita, Lasyag, Sogata, Unix, Anwar, fine. Okay. I feel, let me check the question. Yes, actually, this is misprint. 1 will be coming. This is misprint. Sorry for that. That's why you guys were getting confused. I understood. I was thinking Laplace इतना मुश्किल तो नहीं है. हाँ, yes, you are correct. This is misprint. Okay, clear guys? Fine. Moving further. हाँ, yes, 58. This is engineering mechanics question for 1 mark. This is engineering mechanics question for 1 mark. Engineering mechanics question for 1 mark. You can see this is a rigid ball on which F force is acting like this, 100 Newton is acting like this, tension will be acting like this. And you need to find out the value of F, coefficient, all other things are given to you. This is a question from engineering mechanics for 1 mark. So we have seen the mathematics question, now we are having mechanics question, after that we have PERT CPM question, then we have fluid mechanics question. Tell me guys. Okay, Prithvi is saying the answer to be 50. Prithvi is saying the answer to be 50. What about others? Yes, everybody. Go for the Lami's theorem. this is 90 degree. If this is 30, this is also 30. So this will be 150. Go for the Lami's theorem. Solve it, guys. This is 100, this is F, this is T. So you can write T by sine 90, F by sine 150, 100 by sine 120. Use these two, you can find out F. Yes, everybody. So 100 sine 150 by sine 120. Anybody who have calculated, please tell me the answer. Anybody who have calculated, please tell me the answer. Yes, 57.74. 57.74 would be the right answer. Very good, guys. Moving further to the next question. This is the 59th question for 2 marks. This is for friction. Okay. Let us see how many of you give right answer for this. After that, we have 2 questions from PERT CPM. Then 3 from fluid mechanics. Try to solve it. Try to give the answer for this, guys. A block of 981 Newton is resting on a horizontal surface. The coefficient of friction is 0.2 and vertical cable is applying a tension T. And you need to find out what would be the value of that tension. This is a very good question, guys, from the friction. Everybody. Yes. Don't worry, if you will be giving wrong answer, I will help you, but try to solve it at least once. And don't forget to join us for the exam analysis just after your exam, guys. Solve it. I feel everybody can make the free body diagram for this. You have weight downward, tension upward, normal reaction R upward. Then you have 100 Newton here. Friction will be acting like this. That is mu R. Okay, I have made the free body diagram for you. So many of you have said the answer to be C, that is 481. And Yukta is saying the answer is 176.2. So, what about others? ये दो भी कोई बोल दो. ये दो भी कोई बोल दो. Okay. Mayank is saying 481. So yes, guys, the answer is 481. When you will be going for the summation Fy to be 0, you can write tension plus R is equals to W. And if you apply the summation Fx is equals to 0, you can write mu R is equals to 100. As mu is given to you, R will be coming out to be 500. So if R is 500, W is 981, tension will be coming out to be 481. So the answer for this is C. Very good, guys. Wonderful. You guys have given the answer. Moving further to the question number 60. This is the question number 60 for 1 mark. you need to find out the expected completion time of the project. For this data is given to you and you need to first of all make the network diagram for this. Once you will be making the network diagram, after that you will be getting this expected time value. These are the options. So first make it. This is the data in front of you. Then I will show you the questions. This is 1 mark question, okay? And one more question will be there from PERT CPM. So 2 marks weightage I have given to this subject. Although last year this subject was not asked, so I know very few times this is asked. But let us take all the worst cases possible. Tell me guys, tell me. Expected time is given to you, precedence relation is given to you, okay? And if you don't know how to make it, don't worry, I will help you out. First, let's try. So there are A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 activities are there. These are the precedence given, these are the times given. Variance is not of your use. In the question, they have not asked about variance. So only this data is useful for you. Yes. Shall I start making? So first of all, you can see activity A have no precedence. So that is why I would be making activity A with time 30 days. Now we are having B and C as precedence of A. So this is going to be B, this is going to be C. And D will be happening after B. But you can see here is B and C. This is the indication that dummy would be required. Okay, so this will be the activity D. And you can say E will be happening after B and C. So I will be showing here E and there is a dummy. Dummy activity is always coming whenever the precedence is once coming alone, then coming with some other. This is the identification for dummy activity. And you can see this would be the event number 3, event number 4, event number 5. Last activity is going to be F. This is event number 6. So now you know the time for the interval B is 40 days, C is 60 days, D is 25 days, E is 45 days, F is 20 days. So guys, if this is the case, you need to find out the different paths. You can see one path will be A, B, D, F. Second path will be A, C, E, F. Third path will be A, B, D, E, F. So these are the 3 paths possible. Very good. I feel many of you have given the right answer, 155 days. That is correct. So when you will be finding out A, B, D, F, 30 plus 40, 70, 70 and 20, 90 and 25, it is going to be 105, 115. If you see this 30 and 60, 90, 90 and 45 is 135 and 20, 155. And this is 30 plus 40, 70, 70 and 20, 90 and 40, 135. You can see the highest among them is 155. So answer will be 155 days. That is the correct answer. So I feel you understood the concept of dummy as well. Moving to the next question guys, 61. This is the last question on PERT CPM. Last question on PERT CPM. This is for 2 marks. This is for 2 marks. This is for 2 marks. You need to tell the critical path. After that, 1 question from mathematics. Then we have 3 from fluid mechanics. Solve it guys, solve it, solve it, solve it. The project activities, precedence, relationship and duration are described in the table. This is the table PQRST okay. As the number of activities are more, that is why this question is of 2 marks. So slightly bigger diagram will be there. Okay, you can start making. Question number 61 it is. For 2 marks. Everyone. This time we have to start. There are 2 activities PQ. Make it. I am also making with you guys. Yes. Network diagram I have made in front of you. Apply full cursor rule. Solve it now. You need to tell, the time is also mentioned. P is 3 days. Q is 4 days. R is 5 days. S is 5 days. T is 7 days. U is 5 days. W is 10 days. V is 2 days. Okay, Sushmita, Eunice, Giri K, okay, have given the answer as D. That is QSUW. So QSUW is the right answer. And it is taking 24 days. You can see various paths are possible. If you will go for P, R, T, V, 3 and 5, 8 and 7, 15 and 2, 17 days. If you will go for Q, S, U, W, 4 and 5, 9 and 5, 14 and 10, 24. If you will go for any other path like P, R, U, W, then it is 3 and 5, 8, 8 and 5, 13 and 10, 23. So likewise you can take any path, 24 is the highest. Moving to the next question, mathematics, 1 mark question. Matrix mathematics 1 mark question. 10, 2k plus 5, 3k minus, this is 3k minus 3, k plus 5. Yes. What would be the answer for this question? 1 mark question it is. This matrix is a symmetric matrix. You need to find out the value of k. You need to find out the value of k. Anwar is saying A is the answer. Mayank is also saying A is the answer. Okay. So when we are talking about this, you know A12 will be equals to A21 for symmetric matrix. So 2k plus 5 will be equals to 3k minus 3. K will be coming out to be 8. A is the right answer. Okay. So guys, now we have done all the subjects. Now we are having 3 questions of fluid mechanics. So for fluid mechanics question, I will be giving you, yesterday we have done this question. So next 3 questions, I will be giving you answers. Okay, solution if you want, I will be sharing on the Telegram channel. But if you have any doubt, that you have to take from your fluid mechanics faculty, because I am not the person to take fluid mechanics. Okay, So I am giving you these three questions. This is the first question. You solve it, I will give you answer, but solution you will get on Telegram. Okay? And if you have any doubt, you can ask from your fluid mechanics faculty as well. This is a question: if the fluid velocity for a potential flow, this is from fluid kinematics, Vxy, Uxy, this is given as, okay? And with usual notation, the slope of the potential line is, this is a 2-mark question. Slope of potential line. Slope of potential line. Anybody? Fluid mechanics question. We have 3 questions. Okay, you solve it. At least you can get the marks here. Okay, that's why I am giving you answers. Okay. So fine. I would like to tell you the answer for this is minus u by v. Okay, this is minus u by v. So if you have any doubt, you can take from FM faculty. I am not right person to deal with fluid mechanics right now. Moving to the next question, guys. Question number 64. This is also for 2 marks. Yes. Venturimeter, fluid dynamics, of 20 mm throat diameter is used to measure the velocity of water in a horizontal pipe 40 mm dia. If the pressure difference between the pipe and the throat section is found to be 30 kilopascal, neglecting the friction losses, find out the flow velocity. Yes. So for your marks, I am giving you these questions here with answers so that you can see how much marks you are getting. Anybody? One more question after this. Okay, Giri K is saying C. Anybody else? Okay, Ginu Singh Thakur is saying D. Answer is D for this. D is the right answer. D is the right answer, guys. Okay, last question in front of you now. So only for 3 questions I have not given you solution. But for 3 questions it would be difficult to add some faculty because he has to wait for so long. That's why I am coming on behalf of your FM faculty. This is the last question. This is oil flow through pipes. Flow through pipes. Oil flow through a 200 mm diameter horizontal cast iron pipe. Friction factor is this. Length is this. The volumetric flow rate is this. The head loss due to friction is. Very good guys. बहुत बढ़िया. This is the last question and I will wait for you to answer. 2 marks. And after this question, you can tell me how many marks you are getting out of total 100. Everybody. I did not get the right answer till now from your side. Yes, Unispol have given the right answer. A would be the answer for this. Okay, fine. So now if you want, you can disclose your marks out of 65 because the session is over now with this. Okay, so I feel it's really great. In 3 hours and 30 minutes we have completed this session. A is the right answer for this question. So with this it is completed. The last mega mock challenge is live. You can appear for this. Okay. Hello Sandeep Sharma. You can download the app if you have not done yet. And vision courses are going on. This is the Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. And this is about the session. So guys, how many marks you are getting, you can see and tell if you have already counted it. Okay. So guys, this was the mock test of civil engineering, and now I feel all the things are over from your side, and many students requested me for Laplace. I have not done it yet, but if possible, I will be sharing you either notes or I will be making a video on that. Okay, but you prepare on your behalf. Don't wait for me to come. If it is coming, then you can go for revision of that. Okay, because my session, if will be coming tomorrow. That will be too late. Okay, Sushmita, that's fine. A is the right answer. Very good, Mayank. Very good, Giri K, Lasya, Eunice. You guys have given the right answer. So guys, do like and share the session. With this mock test is completed, you guys would be getting the complete PDF on Abhinav sir's channel, Richa ma'am's channel. Okay, so you can get the complete PDF of this session. Clear, guys? Okay. Fine. Goodbye, guys. So when you calculate, you can tell your total marks also in the comments. Goodbye for this particular session. Goodbye.